Alright guys, आज के जो हमारे guests हैं, you will be blown away. This guy is very
He's from
funny.
the Ratnam clan.
Oh, wow, bro.
of Tamil Nadu.
What a giveaway. I'm like, what? No shit, bro. Ratnam clan is here. मैंने लाइफ में कभी एक साल की शराब नहीं
This
पी
one,
है।
Alti had a good line. He saw that photograph that I put on story.
हाँ.
He was like, that was like the Ellen's photograph of Bangalore comedy.
A man has no hairline.
हे ब्रो
Hey bro.
टिकट्स बिक गए आज
तो आ जाओ ब्रो फिर.
आ गया bro.
ब्रो मैं किसी भी एपिसोड में एक जैसा नहीं दिखता, तुझे पता है?
क्यों?
भाई
मेरे
हर हफ्ते
बाल-
चेंज होता है.
मेरा बाल ऐसा है ना.
Oh yeah, dude. Now though you look very like this
सूफी.
out of the bed look. You know that like trying to be cool.
सयोनी.
Uh,
सयोनी
This is
look है.
Arijit Singh look, bro. He's
This
actually.
is like a college guy hairstyle but with a receding hairline.
हाँ. This is like a guy who's hiding his receding hair.
हाँ, correct. Yes, yes. But
He's
yeah.
the actual Valar Morghulis वो जो नहीं था Game of Thrones में he used to change his
Valar
face.
Morghulis.
Oh, Valar Morghulis.
A man has no hairline.
I think it was a man has many hairlines, but yeah,
man
this is
has
also
many
funny.
Every video he looks different, bro. Every video.
Oh, this is like sometimes I'm like, why do you get two guests up now?
Where's Piyush?
Yeah, you
तुम लिखते हो नाम पर आता नहीं है कभी.
Man, it's so hot, dude.
ये सीन नहीं आ रहा पीछे.
नहीं, I'm telling you outside in
अच्छा,
Bangalore.
outside ना, बाहर तो
Like
बहुत
this
है.
is like, you know, the only thing that Bangalore is used to be cocky about, right? Weather.
वो भी
That
चला
also is
गया.
gone.
ना वायरल कॉमिक है यहाँ पे और वेदर भी अच्छा नहीं है.
Viral comics are there, never there. It's like that's the thing, no? We are like the good luck chuck of comedians.
Yeah, we just
You come to Bangalore and then leave, you'll get viral.
Yeah, that's true, bro.
Yeah.
Good luck,
You have to
check
stay for some time, then go. Then.
Yeah,
you know.
true. Like what Shamik did was good. Like he started here, but he realized.
it. हाँ, वो तो very
He left-
smart.
yeah.
Very smart move to move out once you have a certain amount of material.
No, I think Comicstan season 1, not season 1, Comicstan first episode.
First episode.
I think that's what they told Shamik. Like, bro,
हाँ.
start planning. That's what they told him in the first episode. It's just like, no, this is not gonna happen. But yeah, it's great to be here, bro. This is like the best studio I've ever been part of. I'm not even making this up. This is like a,
That's including your podcast also.
yeah, any day. I mean, my podcast, Aditya has just a lot of books that I never have seen in my life. It's like,
I don't think he has read all those books.
he has, bro.
He
To my
has?
surprisingly, he has.
Have you?
Not all of them, but like at
Yeah.
least 60-70%.
You have met Aditya, right? Like,
Yeah.
It's like character out of a book.
Bro, I'm not even kidding. I have like gotten comments from like, or even like voice recording from my friend.
हाँ.
It's like, why are you interrupting Aditya? Let him talk, no? Like my friends have told this to me. Like, why you trying to be funny?
when he's saying something.
Yeah, he's saying something like very informative or something like, you know, this. Bro, he somehow like the information that he let out. I was just looking at him like, man, you deserve better, dude. That's the thing. It's like, yeah, but even compared to that, this is like too good.
But how's the podcast going right now? अभी regularly तो डाल ही रहे हो तुम लोग.
Bro, it's going on in the sense like I'm not even like have a make it viral approach to the podcast.
हाँ.
I am more like it's helping me in my stand up.
Oh.
When you like
It helps a lot, yeah.
When you
1
talk
hour-
a lot,
1 hour
riff
of
a
like
lot.
completely a riffing, and then
Riffing,
you
yeah,
have to
yeah.
be yes-anding and you're
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
you know, so it really like a lot of crowd works on stage.
Stage पे
becomes
थोड़ा सा better
Yeah.
होता है नहीं?
And also to make it viral, you know what you have to do. You have to cut out reels, you have to like a little bit of
बहुत
theatrics. And
हाँ.
sometimes you understand that you're too qualified, like too lazy for that.
हाँ.
Not
Yeah,
qualified, you're
वो
too
तो-
lazy.
Too lazy for that. Overqualified.
Yeah, it's not overqualified, it's too
you
cocky.
feel like कि ये मेरे लिए नहीं है इसका. मैं क्या
I
करूँ
mean,
इसे?
what a worst typo, dude. I almost made sense.
Yeah, Gemini.
Yeah. Yeah, almost want to say cocky. I can't believe I want to say cocky and qualified came out. But I think we need to remove the glasses because it's too much. I don't think so. Because I'm not looking at the camera, then it's fine. I'm
That's
looking at
okay,
people
bro.
Don't
outside.
look at the
कोई बात
camera.
नहीं, don't look at the camera.
But once in a while, I look at the camera, I'm like, oh shit.
If you want, we can all sit like this.
Okay, that is just
I want to try.
extravaganza.
But how's life, bro? How's it going? Like generally we start the podcast, just for the warm up. कि हम लोग bitching से start
पहले हम लोग पूरा bitching करते हैं अच्छे से, फिर जब पूरा एकदम अच्छे से
माहौल बन जाता है,
Bro, bitching तो करेंगे तो हमारा तो खत्म नहीं होगा यार. I literally hate every comment.
vice versa, bro.
Yeah, every.
Remember we were talking one day about like अभी अगर कैसा किसी ने बोल दिया ना कि आनंद रत्नम 15 मिनट के लिए आनंद में कोई भी आके मार सकता है.
हाँ.
And we like कि लोग टिकट कटवा के दिल्ली से आएंगे.
I'm pretty
I
sure.
didn't know about this side, okay, of Anand Ratnam. I had no idea.
This guy has roasted everyone at some point in his life.
Yeah, and also the thing was my worst roasts are when I'm not trying to roast. I'm just being genuine. That's when it comes off like the worst things I've ever done. Like I've called the girl I was dating at the time.
हाँ,
I was really drunk,
हाँ,
and she was like not that drunk, so she was like, okay, you go sleep.
हाँ,
She was putting me to sleep, okay,
हाँ.
and then she was like putting the bedsheet on me. I was like, no, stop. It's okay. I don't want the bedsheet. It's too hot already. I don't want the bedsheet. And I called her my ex's name.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh, dude, it was. And I have no idea of this. I have no memory of this. Nothing. I was just ridiculously drunk.
हाँ.
And the problem was 3 days ago only we spoke about her and we had a fight. It
Bro,
was
that's
too.
the
Oh,
worst, bro.
bro. The thing was, it was not on WhatsApp. I couldn't delete it. I had to live with it.
The lady remembers.
Oh, yeah.
But I still
A man has no girlfriend.
Yeah.
I still dating or no? Gone?
No, bro. Right now, single as fuck.
Oh, yeah.
Single as fuck. How was marriage life, bro? Forgot to ask you.
Amazing, bro.
Amazing,
Yeah,
good.
yeah, amazing.
I mean, because she's not here, or is
No, she'll watch the podcast also, no, bro?
Oh, acha, oh shit. Damn.
उसके पास तो raw footage जाएगा. वो तो पूरा देखेगी.
She's right now watching.
Yeah. But yeah, your wedding was very kick-ass, dude. It's
Thank
too
you, bro.
good.
Thanks
I
a lot.
barely
Thanks
remember
a
it, but
Bro,
it was good.
एक podcast हो चुका है इसके ऊपर. And now,
You and
now that
Jyoti
you are in Jyoti in Somnath, the Bamba Mentality
Oh,
podcast,
अच्छा,
full
अच्छा.
शादी podcast किया हम लोगों ने.
Oh, nice.
This is like
Bro, there are
part
things
two.
I got to know that I didn't even have idea about. It was it was supposed to be like, podcast about the wedding. And I was like, what the fuck? They did
हम लोग
this
कहानी
also?
बता रहे पता ये क्या? ये कब किया?
ये क्या किया?
And मैं चुपचाप बैठा हुआ. I was like,
Bro,
what
do
the-
you remember the time when I came to your room and I flicked the booze and I went? Do you remember that?
No,
He doesn't
no.
know that.
So do you remember तू अंदर शेरवानी में था? You wanted to take a photograph with us.
Yeah, that.
So
I
we all
remember,
came
yeah.
to the room. We
Yeah.
took a photograph and
But
हमारे
fuck, you
room.
came for the booze, huh?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I came up. There was a Tanqueray left there.
Yeah.
So and all your I think aunties and everyone was standing. I think your mom was also there.
Mhm.
And I just looked at them. They all like turned around for 1 second. I just took it and I came. I just immediately took.
Great move.
Oh yeah.
Dude, but that Sangeet night was crazy,
Oh,
bro.
dude,
Crazy.
yeah.
मैंने लाइफ में कभी एक साथ इतनी शराब नहीं
This
पी
one,
है, bro.
Alti had a good line. He saw that photograph that I put on story.
हाँ.
He was like, that was like the Ellen's photograph of Bangalore comedy.
Alan's photograph.
The
The
photo
alumni.
appropriation.
Good one.
It's like our toppers.
Yeah.
Alan's photograph. Of
It
Bangalore
was too
comedy.
funny when he said that. I laughed.
Dude.
But your wedding was too much fun, dude.
So
Too much
fun,
like.
so fun.
I have never seen like Gautam, Somnath, and Jyoti so drunk. Like I've known them for 10 years. I've never seen them so
तू समझ
drunk.
रहा है इतनी अच्छी शराब फ्री में मिल रही है.
Oh, and dude, yeah. And
Why
also
would
the
you-
weather is perfect.
Weather is
Perfect
perfect.
for that drink.
And तुझे जैसा ड्रिंक बनवाना है तो बनवा सकता
हाँ,
है. हम
exactly.
लोगों ने नया ड्रिंक बनवाया उससे वहाँ.
Ah, that's true.
That drink was not there on the menu.
Bro, do you know that one moment where I think your in-laws, one guy,
Hmm.
he kind of scared the guys, the bartender.
Yeah, and that time Shamik called me, like he messaged. He was like, send me that dancing video. I was like, all of them came late. Purposefully.
Fucking- we asked him to come. That guy's like, oh. We asked him like, shut up and come, bro. Shut up and come. We'll have fun. Now he wants the video also, bastard. But no, I mean, it was decided, bro. We were not getting up on stage at all.
I realized much later. Yeah.
Huh?
I realized much later.
Yeah. But when you created the group and all, you had this idea, it's like, no, I think you
The
can.
confidence this guy had.
Yeah.
Hey guys, ये वीडियो है इसको देख के प्रैक्टिस कर लो.
The funniest was he
Bro,
called
I
me,
just
he
wanted
told
to
me like
put
Jyoti
effort.
and Somnath are there. I was like, you think I met them yesterday? Jyoti and Somnath are there. I'm pretty sure I know what Somnath are. Somnath was like, bro, Anand is the dancer, make him dance.
No, Jyotin agreed immediately. I was like,
Bullshit.
how did
Yeah,
you agree
no, dude.
immediately? I was like,
That's the whole plan. He's like, yeah, bro, done, bro. Ho jayega.
That's how smart he is.
He's
He'll
very
say yes
smart.
immediately so that you stop.
You stop, yeah.
And then he won't do it later.
He'll be like, that's what he'll do on the day of the wedding. He'll be like, where is Jyoti?
Bro, मेरे को याद है कभी तो बीच में हम लोग दारू पी के एकदम हम लोग बैठे हुए हैं and we're at the table eating, right?
Okay.
And पता नहीं मुझे याद नहीं exactly, I have very vague memory of it
Okay.
कि कोई आया एक बंदा और सबका खाने का प्लेट लेके भाग गया.
I was there. I was
You were
there.
there, right?
I saw him.
Yeah, that happened and he said कि जब तक आप वहाँ चल के shots नहीं लोगे तब तक हमको खाना नहीं होगा.
Wow.
Yeah, bro, your in-laws were like too
Crazy, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Crazy.
They were like, I have never seen love in an harassing way.
In the
Like it was so. You can't say no, but it's like,
it's like a rapey love.
yeah,
Season
very,
1.
very, yeah, exactly. It was just too much.
Yeah, bro. it's-
Even at the counter when they were giving us shots, I'm just like, bro, what are you doing? Are you gonna kill us or something? It was just
एक
too
तो
much.
4 रंग के shots.
हाँ, exactly. And
I
you're
knew
like,
even then when he was doing that.
हाँ हाँ
Oh,
सब
yeah.
देखा भाई. मेरे को इतना होश था, मुझे बस इतना पता था कि चीजें हो रही हैं.
हाँ.
I have no chronological reference here. मुझे
Yeah.
ये नहीं पता है कि कौन सी चीज
Piyush
पहले
was
हुई
gone.
है.
And I was like, I wanted to get high.
हाँ.
Then I saw Piyush high. Then I saw you were busy with like your work and all those things
Yeah.
were happening. And then you know I had trust on Jyoti and Somnath. Then I saw those fuckers also high. I'm like, bench अभी तो किसी को तो रहना पड़ेगा ऊपर यहाँ पे.
Bro, बहुत बकचोदी करी थी उस दिन तो.
So Piyush ने तो नेहा को छोड़ दिया था. She was like alone on one table, and I was like, how is this okay?
Bro, I'll tell you the story. This I've told it to like 2-3 people. I'm pretty sure Neha doesn't watch this. Okay, I'm 100% she doesn't watch it.
Yeah, she followed us last week only.
Bro, I have seen her outside open mics. The lack of fucks that she gives, it's so funny. You know, so I know that she doesn't watch this podcast.
Yeah, she
What is the
doesn't.
funniest story? Okay, so me, her, and him and her are sitting and eating.
Yeah,
But I'm not eating. I'm having my
I
drink.
Know, I know this.
You know the story,
Yeah,
right? Yeah.
right,
Oh,
right.
do you know the story?
No, no,
You
right.
don't remember this? It was so funny. So you both are not eating. We both are drinking. She came and said like, यार बड़ी मुझे भूख लग रही है.
हाँ.
So you get up, you go like plate में सब भर के, you know, you fill everything and you get it into her on a plate and it's
Yeah.
like, bro, see, I love her, bro. I love her. That's why I got it for her. And I'm like, oh man, this is so great. And then she looks at me, she's like, यार, तुम salad भूल गए. This guy gets up, looks at me while she's looking at him. Never get married out. And he walks off. And Neha is looking at me like, I'm like, yo, what the fuck am I supposed to say?
And I'll tell you the rest of the part. तो
हाँ.
उसने बोला ना, अब तुझे पता है मैं कितना फंड हूँ, ठीक है?
Yeah.
और उसने बोला खाना लेकर आ.
हाँ.
Now I get up. Every step is a mission.
Oh yeah, that too I knew.
मैं कांच पे चल रहा हूँ.
I was actually shocked from her perspective. I'm like, bro, why are you making him work? He's
Bro,
gone.
I am walking like, all right, 15 steps after that, take left. ऐसे करके चल रहा हूँ मैं, पता है. और सामने जाना है मुझे
हाँ.
वहाँ तक. प्लेट में ऐसे पकड़ा हुआ है, मेरे को ये डर है कि प्लेट से खाना ना गिर जाए, बेइज्जती ना हो जाए.
Oh
बेचो
my
यहाँ
God.
पे. मैं इतना सारा खाना किसी तरह भर के लाया हूँ. उस बंदे को मैंने 100 रुपए दिए हैं कि सर आपको जो बेस्ट खाना पता है वो डाल दो प्लीज. मैं नहीं डाल पाऊंगा, प्लीज 100 रुपए दे उस बंदे
Yeah,
को.
dude, that's
वो
true.
100 रुपए लेके गायब हो गया.
Men don't appreciate.
मुझे लगता है वहाँ काम भी नहीं करता था वो बंदा. मैंने किसी रैंडम आदमी को 100 रुपए दे दिए. अब मैं लेकर आया हूँ खाना और मैं
He's like telling other guys, खाने के पास खड़े हो कोई रैंडम जाके 100 रुपए देगा तुझे. Tension मत ले. Oh, but that night was too much, dude. It was just like ridiculous.
Crazy, bro. अगले दिन जो मेरे को हैंगओवर हुआ है ना, oh my god, जो सर दर्द हुआ है मेरे को अगले दिन.
No, yesterday, I think the next day, all of us were fucked.
Fucked, bro.
I was
big
fucked
time.
because I slept on a horrible bed and had back pain. All of you guys are hungover.
Yeah.
So it was just That's
Bro.
why the next day barely any of us drank.
हाँ, अगले दिन नहीं पिया जा रहा.
कोई नहीं पिया.
चांस ही जो रूम में बैठे थे तुम्हारे,
हाँ.
जो एक जो शॉट लिया था,
हाँ.
उसके बाद मैंने एक पैक नहीं लिया है.
I can imagine.
पिछले दिन का नशा था, उससे नाचा हूँ मैं. उसी को यूज
Yeah,
करके
yeah.
नाचा है मैंने.
That day I poured one more pack and then I looked at all these guys. They are like, no, bro, we are good, bro. I'm
Not
done,
really
bro. But yeah, it was good. Next.
It was around that same time you released your video, right? I
Really?
think November के time पे. हाँ, because I remember you coming
Yes,
and telling
yes.
us that okay, I got 100k views.
No, I didn't get 100k at that time.
No, first release a video, then release another video.
Asking people to watch the video.
मैंने
That
कहा,
was too quick, I think.
that was
You
so.
know, I
we were
recorded
talking
it.
about
I
it.
recorded while with the recording.
That was very next day. Very.
No, I recorded with
Yeah.
the
I think he recorded that video
Yeah.
first.
उसका sound
Please
भी
watch
श्रीजीत
it
से
and then
करवाया
make
था.
The second video is from the Mayday green room.
रिकॉर्ड करा के ग्रेड हो गया कि
That's why I started watching.
Wait, it was that video that you're watching and you're like, oh, fuck, don't kill yourself, don't kill yourself, don't
Yeah.
kill yourself.
No, yeah, this looked like that fucking guy who killed after talking about his wife, right?
Oh yeah. No, bro, it was a weak moment that I took a decision and I didn't have anyone to slap me and like, fuck you, don't do that. It was just, I got drunk the previous night and I looked at the video, it was some 20k or something, okay?
But it
20 or
worked,
20.
bro.
Huh?
I mean, it worked.
Dude, I don't know if it was.
Dude, come on.
Hey, but that video has fucking what, 10,000 views.
Doesn't matter, but it reached the right people and then it's.
No, but I watched the video.
He went
5-6 बार
viral,
मैंने
bro.
देखा था.
He
मैंने
went
मोबाइल पे देखा, टीवी पे देखा.
He went over
Same account से कब मैंने
नहीं अलग account से देखा.
टीवी पे देखा.
Fake account.
Comedians Driving to Shows podcast के account से देखा.
अच्छा,
Double
टीवी
Dose
पे
के
Instagram
account से
देख रहा है
देखा.
अपना.
That lot of my friends also like, but it was funny because some of the comics were like, भैया थोड़ा acting, थोड़ा overacting नहीं हो गया? I was like, man, I was genuinely venting. But yeah, it was like a weak moment where I caught myself, you know, like how do I say this? Like the previous night I was getting drunk and I saw it was 20k and I was like, what if I just ask?
No one has tried that.
Yeah, no one's tried that. And I just asked and then I was like, as soon as I posted, I'm like, fuck, I had to go to reset today.
But see, that's how fucked YouTube is, right? You have like lakh plus followers, I think.
I want to have lakhs.
1.5 lakhs. Still, it doesn't push like.
Oh, YouTube is
For
a
some
shit
reason.
show right now.
Yeah.
YouTube
मतलब जो सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं वो भी नहीं देख रहे, राइट?
उनको भी
नहीं जाता है, bro. एक बार
It's
पता है.
like it depends on उस time पे वो क्या देख रहे हैं. If you imagine you're subscribed to maybe 30 pages, okay, approximately.
ठीक है.
If on those 30 pages,
आप
which
जो
pages are you watching right now?
तो उसी का आएगा.
उसी का आएगा. And on top of it, even if you're not subscribed and you're watching, that will only come. Like if you imagine, for example, you go down a rabbit hole of cricket videos.
तो क्रिकेट.
So just cricket only आएगा पूरा. It's not like if the person you subscribe put out a new video, nothing like that. You have
What
to.
is the point of having a subscriber? Then?
You have to go out of your way to click like press the bell icon. Only then it will show.
Then they
That's
get
such a lame
notification.
thing to say,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
When people say press the bell icon,
And people
what the
don't do
fuck?
it.
Yeah,
Oh,
I-
yeah,
Most people don't do it.
It's
I've never pressed the bell icon.
It's-
अपने channel पे नहीं किया मैंने.
Yeah, we've never said the word press the bell icon.
Press the bell
I think
icon.
every time we've said it, it's in a sarcastic way.
Yeah.
Why don't you press the bell icon, guys? You know, it's oh my God, Divine is coming. Wasn't this guy dating some comic?
This guy.
Oh, that's Ritviz.
That was
Yeah, Ritviz, right?
some comic. Yeah.
Ah.
I mean, we know the comic, but
Yeah, we won't name him.
No, I don't know.
But I know we all know.
yeah. Alright, guys. आज के जो हमारे guests हैं, you will be blown away. This guy is very
He's from
funny.
the Ratnam clan.
Wow, bro.
Of Tamil Nadu.
What a giveaway. You're like, what? No shit, bro. Ratnam clan is here. Alright, so this guy is very funny. He's one of our comedy gurus. और बहुत
OG.
ही आज मैं कॉमेडी कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि आनंद रत्नम ने मेरी एक बार गांड मारी थी.
This is not a giveaway at all.
Yeah, this is not a giveaway.
I don't think we're doing it right.
Yeah,
We
yeah,
should
yeah.
just call him, you know.
Alright, we're gonna just introduce you to the guy. Come on, give it up
Give it
for
up for
Anand
Anand
Ratnam.
Wow, that was just the meanest love intro ever. मैंने कहा गांड मारी. I just did the most subtle thing ever.
Dude,
But that's natural,
तेरा तो
isn't it?
फिर ही बहुत अच्छा है. हम लोगों ने ज्योतिन का इंट्रो पता है उसको क्या क्या बोल दिया था हम लोग. Like he's a molester, he's a
Oh my
he's a
God.
rapido driver. ऐसे कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं हम लोग.
Oh man, dude, this glass.
Dude,
is too much for
the
me.
story तो ये story तो मैं हर podcast में मैंने सुनाई है.
कौन सी वाली?
आनंद रत्नम story of how.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
How we
what
first
was it?
met.
It was a very natural thing, right? You didn't like it, just don't. Say
Yeah,
it,
I'm
right?
not complaining
There's
that
No,
it is
he's
the wrong
not
thing.
complaining. I mean,
Huh.
like,
I'm
you're
just
not-
telling you the origin story.
Yeah, like
How-
the origin of our friendship.
So
It's like
that is your first memory of
first
Anand
mic,
Ratnam.
first mic,
yeah.
and Anand Ratnam is not the Anand Ratnam you see right now. He's like a fat Anand Ratnam.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Yeah, and I think it was a depression time. I think
Really? This is which year?
this is 2016 December,
Oh, that was not depression.
not depression. So you were just fat.
2015 was depression.
So you were just fat that time, right?
How was I fat?
You were way heftier than this, bro.
Oh really? Dude,
Very
I was
hefty.
like if I show you the old photos, I'm skinnier. Like 2015-16.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe like-
मेरे को याद है 2016.
Yeah, I
local में
was not skinny. I was fat,
हाँ.
but now I have become fatter.
Seriously?
I see. No, now you're leaner, bro.
Yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Okay,
bro,
cool.
you're leaner.
Thanks, man. Yeah. Just cut it, crop it, put it as a reel. I want to share it to those exes. But yeah, it was
How many exes do you have?
Shit, man. That's like not many, dude.
No.
Very few.
But I think you have a very active dating life. I think you talk about it a lot in your videos. I see.
Really? Do I?
No.
I don't, bro. I'd like to not mention it. I like to keep it private.
Except in
Clearly
YouTube,
not. Directly
except in
video
YouTube videos. सिर्फ YouTube वीडियो में बताता हूँ.
हाँ.
किसी को नहीं बताता.
Yeah. What is that? If you're good at it, don't do it for free.
Yeah.
I mean, sorry. If you're bad at it, don't do it for free. If you're bad at dating,
Don't do it for free.
yeah. No, dude. The thing is, what I have like what 4. I think
Yeah.
I've had 4 ex-girlfriends.
Okay.
And my initial was like full test match, bro. The initial 2-3 were like
Long
4
ones.
years, 4 years.
Oh damn, bro.
Yeah, it was pretty long. And then the shortest one was 3 months.
Okay.
That was the shortest one. And that was actually kind of cool though, because it was like a swag thing to say.
Oh.
Because I was dated my boss's daughter.
Oh.
Yeah, it was like, even
Which
I
company?
couldn't believe it.
Which company,
No,
bro?
I mean, the company is not doing that great.
Okay, so yeah, I mean, even the boss is not doing that great scenes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I dated her.
Yeah.
It was like I couldn't believe it. You know, when I was dating for first 1 week, I asked her 3 times, "Are you sure? Are you sure?
Are you sure this is dating?
Yeah, are you sure?"
I think first 3 months he पूछता ही रह गया
But
होगा.
how did it happen? Like,
No,
Like
the
I
whole
said.
idea was, it was like she is an architect and I was in civil engineering. I was working in the site, and then her dad would bring her to the site to show what they're doing.
like,
Learn.
ये देखो मजदूर.
Yeah, that kind of, yeah. Show her what they're
And we have
doing.
one engineer.
Yeah. like पापा मुझे तो
He's the
मजदूर ही
most
पसंद है.
qualified in that lot.
Yeah, I was
All
supposed to sit
these-
next to the
All
carpenter
these
to stand out.
all these muscular men.
Yeah. No, dude, you have the opposite idea. All carpenters are fucking skinny. This
Yeah.
skinniest bastard chewing pan parag. This is how they welcome you.
Applause, beta.
Yeah, every carpenter or painter is this, bro.
Oh,
It's-
boy.
Only the carpet laying guy would be clean, because even if 1 ounce of dirt, he's fucked.
Yeah.
Was it in Bangalore?
Yeah, it was a site. We were doing a site for Goldman Sachs.
Ooh.
Oh.
So yeah, it was a pretty big project. But so she came as the dad was like, you know, learn, see what we do and all this thing. And she was going through the designs, and I had all the floor plans because I was one of the document guys, you know, controlling the document.
Okay.
And I used to like talk to her once in a while, and then we exchange numbers, just start texting, and no hitting or nothing, just talking to her casually. But apparently at that time I didn't know that's what women like.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
You know, the less you try to fuck
Being
them, the
normal.
more they want to fuck you.
Yeah.
It's
That's true.
Yeah, it's the worst thing. Like, you know, women are the worst at that. You know, I hate that.
Yeah, why
it
did
took
you
me
let us
like
fuck
fucking
you, man?
so many years to be like, you know, oh, look, if you come off as desperate, you're fucked. So yeah, so just start texting her, and then eventually, like, to my surprise, it was actually I asked her out and she said yes, which was like, whoa.
Does she feature as a story in any of the videos you have released?
Nope,
No.
nope.
Like, you were so confident she'll say no. You're like, will you go out? Yes. Okay,
Hello.
fine, it's okay.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
No, what? Sorry, what?
What are you saying? Do you hate your dad? Are you taking out on me? So yeah, so we ended up dating for a while, but then it was also fucked up because as soon as it started, it ended also very fast.
So this is like the typical 90s Bollywood movie, like, you know, rich dad.
Yes,
Huh?
yes.
Yeah. His dad was like,
From the
yellow,
project,
blank
yeah.
check.
Yeah.
Yeah. छोड़ दो. Fucking
जो मेरी बेटी का पीछा छोड़ दो.
Unfortunately, no blind checks were received.
But what is that amount you would have put in that blank check?
Me.
Yeah.
Like, it was a blank check, no sign also.
Then there's
बस एक
a-
blank
Just a
check
piece of paper.
Then just a rough note, bro. I can just write the phone number.
Like, write your first set on this.
And that's how he started doing
This is
comedy.
Bangalore SSB. Do you guys know that, right?
यहाँ पे होता है ना यहाँ.
SSB. This
Oh.
is where army selection happens.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh man.
मेरे
Yeah.
जितने दोस्तों का भी SSB है ना, always भोपाल.
मेरा भी भोपाल था.
हाँ,
I went to
इधर ही
Bhopal.
या मैं
Yeah,
Bhopal is a
yeah,
way
yeah.
better campus than the Bangalore.
Yeah,
Bangalore
yeah.
campus is shit.
Mm.
The only great thing about Bangalore campus is that Brigade Road is 5 minutes away.
Dude, tell us about your SSB story because SSB की story इतनी पागल जैसी होती है ना.
Oh, dude, it was
ऐसी
so
ऐसी
funny.
चीजें होती है ना.
It
ऐसी
was
ऐसी
so
चीजें होती
funny.
हैं. Tell us
So a
yours.
lot of funny things happened, and also
हाँ.
like I gave SSB like 4 times.
Okay, हाँ.
So my SSB story itself is one. Like the thing is,
हाँ.
first 2 times was after like around 12th standard,
हाँ.
and at that time I had no idea. So like you know those you're like this how they say you're this amalgamation of personalities.
Correct.
You really have no idea what you're saying.
Yeah.
So, this was the funny thing. Okay, where the interviewer caught me
हाँ.
lying,
हाँ.
and it was so funny because he smiled at me. So he asked
Like,
like,
about
I'll give you. We're
Okay.
talking about okay. So
Huh.
Anand, what do you watch?
Huh.
I was like, sir, I watch a lot of sports. Oh, only sports, sir. Like he's trying to put me down on purpose. Okay, so no, sir, I also watch like Nat Geo and Discovery.
हाँ.
I always watch. Oh, really? So what do you watch on Nat Geo? Man vs Wild. I said, man. He said,
It
okay.
doesn't come on that.
No, it comes on Discovery at that time. But
Okay.
he was like, okay, Man vs Wild. What time does it air?
Oh.
And I was
okay.
like, sir, Tuesdays 8 p.m. He's just like, what? The way he caught me, it was so funny. So I knew at that moment, like, I'm not going to get selected.
Huh.
But there were a lot of other fuck-ups also that happened, you know. And
Yeah.
it's a 5-day exam
Huh.
where you get to, like...
There are multiple rounds, right?
there's
Physical
2
होता है.
rounds, mainly.
Hmm.
First is called the screening,
Correct.
which is happens on the first day.
First day,
They
हाँ.
give you, like, a bunch of 2 tests, which is one is you have to look at a photograph
हाँ.
and then write a story,
Correct.
which should have a past, and the story is the present,
Huh?
and what happens in the future.
Okay.
It's like a short story which you have
Correct.
to write within like I think 5 minutes or something.
Okay.
And then you go to another room with other 15 candidates where you have to discuss that story, more like group discussion.
Got it.
So this is how happens screening. यहाँ पे बेंचो 90% of the population निकल जाती है,
Correct.
especially if it's a technical entry.
Hmm.
You know this +2 or engineering or all
Got
that
it.
shit.
Yeah.
Then after that is the next 3 days where it's proper selection basis, all this thing. There's like psychologists, there is group technical officer, a lot of shit is there,
Got
and
it.
also interview.
Interview.
But this was one. But SSB Bhopal is like very good campus.
Huh.
It's like beautiful, like big. And the funny thing was, for fourth time I got selected.
Huh.
And the third time was after engineering, okay, third time.
Hmm.
And I told my dad is like, all the best, beta, and full on preparation, bro.
Huh.
Like I prepared for 6 months straight every day.
Huh.
And I go there, fucking first day exit.
Screened.
First day screen out. The
On
funny
what
thing-
basis?
I just didn't qualify. Group discussion. I was
They never
done
tell you
with.
the reason.
They never tell you the
Okay,
reason.
okay.
They never tell you the reason why you're selected also.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So first day, dude. The previous night around like imagine Monday night 12 o'clock or I'm reaching Bhopal.
Huh.
So I stayed in a hotel. Morning 6 बजे MCO की गाड़ी आती है
Huh.
पिकअप करने के लिए.
Correct.
वो आके तुम्हें लेके जाती है
हाँ.
और 1 बजे दोपहर को रिजल्ट मिल जाता है.
हाँ.
मैं यहाँ से भोपाल गया 1.5 दिन.
हाँ.
वो वापस उसी आधे
उसी
दिन
दिन
में
वापस आ गया.
I didn't have ticket, nothing because I was
Wow.
confident that I'm going to get selected.
ओ टिकट भी बुक नहीं
कुछ
करा
नहीं किया वाला मैं select तो हो ही जाएगा, फर्स्ट राउंड तो हो ही जाएगा. I like calm down
Since
and I
you
go.
went like multiple times, was it like the same set of people like doing
No, no,
things?
No, अलग होते हैं.
Every
I thought,
time.
यार फिर आ गया.
Oh, dude,
Dude,
imagine
people
that.
keep trying.
Huh?
I've had friends who have tried like 12 times, 13
बहुत
times.
try करा है लोग,
Yeah,
बहुत try
12
करते हैं.
times.
Bro,
12, 13
नशा है
times.
ब्रो. लोगों को इतना ज्यादा वो कुछ लोग इतना पैशन है ना वहाँ जाने
Yeah.
का मिलिट्री में ना.
You will see if you try and all. I've met like a lot of people. I mean, I also had that.
People break down like
Yeah.
their life falls apart if they don't get it.
Yeah, I've seen different careers. People try a lot. Like you know,
मैंने
even,
देखा
even with BTech,
मेरा एक दोस्त था
MBA.
उसको बस सिर्फ लाइफ में वही पैशन ही था
हाँ.
कि वो आर्मी में जाएगा और उसके बाद फिर वो एक लेदर जैकेट खरीदेगा और एक एनफील्ड खरीदेगा.
Oh my
That
God.
was his
Aviator
that was
bro.
his vision, bro. That
ये
was
तो
his
movie
vision
देख
board.
के ये तो मूवी
Aviator
देख के
खरीदा.
बना.
हाँ, प्योर.
Aviator.
And he tried so much. उसने कॉलेज में स्कूल में ट्राई करा,
हाँ.
फिर इंजीनियरिंग करने के बाद बहुत AF कैट और ये सब लिख के
AFCAT, हाँ.
सब कुछ करके ट्राई करा उसने. नहीं हुआ उसका.
Oh बेचारा.
And in the end,
I mean, I think interviewer को बता दिया क्या plan है.
yeah, after that, since then he's just recovering from that. अभी तक रिकवरी कर रहा है वो.
Yeah.
उसको क्या क्या हो गया,
Too
वो
much.
गांजा वांजा मारने लगे, साइकोसिस हो गया उसको, बहुत 10 चीजें हुई उसके साथ.
And also the thing is, the kind of lifestyle that they portray you'll have, no,
हाँ.
it's not true though.
हाँ.
It
But I
Yeah,
think
not
most of it
the-
is true. Most
Yeah.
of it is true.
No, it's not. Like I'll give you an example how it happened. Okay, third time, so I got screened out, right?
Hmm.
I came back home and my dad was like literally sat me down. I was like, "Beta, maybe this is not your thing.
Yeah.
हाँ.
You go back to engineering or whatever to get a job."
Hmm.
And I was like, "Fuck it, I will prove it to you." And I studied. Next time, 3 months later, I had another interview,
Hmm.
and that's the one I cleared.
Okay.
I got recommended. And here I'm not telling you, when you go to SSB, those 5 days you're staying for test, no,
हाँ.
you're put in a very good room
Hmm.
and very good facilities. Toilet is there, good toilets. Everything is great.
Yeah.
There is like they will show you movies in the evening.
हाँ.
All those shit, okay.
Huh.
The day we got selected, dude, they took us to a separate chamber where recommended students. It's not selected, it's recommended.
Recommended.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Recommended candidates live.
Huh.
Dude, it was the worst place ever. Toilet का seat नहीं है.
What?
Toilet में so the moment you qualify, even the ustad will tell you,
Nothing.
अब भाई real army देखने का time आ गया है.
Oh.
ये है real army.
ले,
And
एक
so-
बार तुम सेलेक्ट कर तुम्हारी गांड
गांड मारेंगे. So
हाँ.
next, so that's what they prepare you for.
Oh.
So it's like basically like horrible conditions. Bro, the
Hmm.
हमारे यहाँ जहाँ इधर था ना जब मैंने सिलेक्शन वहाँ पे ट्यूबलाइट था.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे बेंचो 0 watt bulb. They are like you stay in darkness.
Yeah, dude.
So it's like very
You
difficult once
treat
you
like a prisoner first.
Bro, आप सुनोगे ना कहानी,
बहुत
ट्रेनिंग
time.
की कहानी सुनोगे. जो लोग इसमें जाते हैं ना, क्या नाम है जो पुणे में कौन सा है जो इनका
NDA.
एकेडमी जो है, एनडीए का जो एकेडमी है,
खड़गवासले.
उसमें जो ट्रेनिंग होती है ना उनकी जो ली जाती है वहाँ
सुना है
पे,
मैंने.
it's insane.
So there are
insane.
3 primary ones in army is NDA, IMA which is in Dehradun and
Hmm.
OTA that's in Chennai.
Hmm.
These are the 3 primary places from where officers pass out.
Officers pass out.
So NDA is like the OG. These guys come after like 12th.
Hmm.
12th
Immediately
finish
after
करके
that,
आते
yeah,
हैं
के बाद
तो
सीधा, हाँ.
NDA में they do their training along with their degree.
डिग्री करते हैं, उसके बाद फिर वो स्पेशलाइजेशन जिसमें भी अच्छा है,
हाँ,
आर्मी
that is true. You go to
जाते हैं
IMA
फिर.
or then you go to INA for naval and then
Yeah.
or you go to flying this thing.
हाँ, correct.
So or the third one is Indian Military Academy, which is IMA,
देहरादून में.
Dehradun, which is also fucking kick-ass. And OTA is the one that people don't respect.
और उनकी ट्रेनिंग पता है कैसी रहेगी? लाइक मेरे दोस्त का भाई है आर्मी में है एंड ही गॉट आफ्टर 12th स्टैंडर्ड ओनली, तो उसमें बता दिया कि आपको ऐसे ग्रुप जाएगा पूरा जंगल, उनका बहुत बड़ा एरिया है जंगल का, पूरा पहाड़ वहाड़ सब है उसमें एकेडमी में ही। उसमें आपको क्या करेंगे कि आपको कुछ खाने के लिए रॉ मटेरियल दे देंगे ये वो, एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू सर्वाइव इन दैट जंगल फॉर द नेक्स्ट, एंड देयर आर अदर ग्रुप्स आल्सो।
For next few
You don't
days.
survive. You have to make your way back.
हाँ,
You have to
that's
make it. I know what you're talking about.
हाँ.
This is basically
Hmm.
they will put you and they where the training goes right. Compass, this thing to use your compass
Correct.
to read the map.
how to do it.
How to read the map.
कोई बंदा अगर आपका लुढ़क गया, जैसे बेहोश वेहोश हो गया,
हाँ,
उसको उठा के
carry
लाना
करो,
है,
हाँ.
छोड़ नहीं
Yes.
सकते उसको।
You can't abandon the things. And
हाँ.
even if he doesn't get injured, they will create a scenario. Candidate number 53 is injured. Now carry him and go. So these kind of scenarios are created. So
Yeah.
this is like to study your map reading and all your skills
Skills, हाँ.
on the ground.
Yeah, but we saw that you got, I think, rejected after final selection because of the medical thing, right?
Yeah, medical thing. I had a thing called horseshoe kidney.
Horseshoe
Hmm.
kidney.
Dude, which is I had to.
Do you feel lucky to have that?
No, I don't have luck. Why would I feel lucky?
No.
No, I'll tell you another funny
Does it help you
story,
in comedy, bro?
bro. Yeah, so where do you think the tax comes out?
One kidney.
एक
Bro, he
किडनी है पर वो कॉमेडी भी हेल्प
Bro,
करेगा।
he can never donate a kidney or receive a kidney.
Dude, I'll receive a kidney to छोड़ो, that's why I'll die. Imagine if someone kills me for my kidneys, they'll be so disappointed.
They're like, "Hey, bhai,
पूछ तो लेते बैंक से पहले.
तो like ऐसे हॉर्सशू किडनी
Yeah.
निकल रही है पूरी इतनी बड़ी, like कहाँ डाले इसको?
But how rare is that, like, to have?
It's
because
very rare.
Yeah,
It's a congenital disorder. It doesn't depend on like your mom and dad. It's not like mom and dad have it, it'll come to you.
Hmm.
They can have normal kidneys, you can still get it.
He's a
But here's the
selective one.
funny thing. Okay, I'll tell you another funny story.
Huh.
So since I'm 33, I'm unmarried, which is like a big problem at home, right? Indian family,
Correct.
all that nonsense. Okay. So here's the thing that I found out recently, that apparently some of my relatives who stay in the village, so they are like not that forward thinking or shit, right?
Okay.
Their knowledge and grasp is very less,
Okay.
which is forgivable. I'm not gonna judge them for that.
हाँ,
But they have kids who have a certain understanding of technology,
correct.
Okay. Uh-huh.
but they're still dumb,
Okay.
Okay.
which is like the worst combo.
Like
so, I tell you-
technology with dumb people.
Yeah,
हाँ.
technology with dumb people. So like one of my cousins or whatever, I don't know who he or she was,
हाँ,
they saw my TEDx video
TEDx video. Okay. Okay.
where I talk about this horseshoe kidney.
okay.
And apparently the rumor, and they have told someone, and the rumor has spread like Chinese whisper. Apparently the rumor in my village is Anand is not getting married because he has no kidneys.
He has no kidneys.
No kidney.
He has no kidney.
पेशाब ही नहीं
Yeah.
करता।
So he's like, he can't get married. So,
And how would the girl know he doesn't have
Yeah.
kidney, bro?
dude, it's so funny that my mom was like furious when she heard this gossip.
Fuck, dude.
She was like, how dare these people talk about my son like that? And she told me this, I'm laughing. I'm like, man, it's
Dude.
funny, da. This is like close to Tanjore,
Okay.
where this guy studied. Kumar Varun.
Oh.
He's from NIT, not NIT, he's from Shastras,
Oh.
which is like a pretty good college.
Yeah,
Shastra.
that's a good college. Yeah.
Yeah. My dad wanted me to get there. I was like, Dad, AIEEE का score देखा है? मजाक मत क्या करो. Oh, dude, it was so funny, my AIEEE score.
How much was it?
It was just very close to my landline number.
हाँ.
It was almost similar.
But now are they all chill, like family and all, like with
No,
comedy?
my mom
going?
and dad are very chill, bro. They
Yeah.
are like, they are, even when they whine, right? They whine with a little bit of grace.
No, I think parents are usually chill. Only the problem is when around when comparison happens, like okay,
Yeah.
ये वो कर रहा है, ये
You know
कर
the
रहा है,
best
what are
part
you
is
doing?
like are your friends' parents also familiar with your friend? मतलब आपके parents के साथ मिलते हैं?
हाँ,
मतलब
हाँ,
बातें
yeah.
होती हैं? Is that
That is
does
the
happen?
problem.
Not a lot, though, not a lot. But
Ah.
yeah, we friends, we make sure they don't meet.
हाँ,
good,
because
good.
for me the problem is it's like a Air Force community है ना, सब साथ में और सारे दोस्त हैं साथ में,
Oh yeah, that's fucked up.
so it's like immediate
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
भाई
It's like that cultural shaming.
yeah,
Shame.
immediate like सबको
Shame.
एकदम flat line एक साथ
Yeah.
चलना है सबको साथ में ऊपर, पता है?
Damn, bro, how is that possible?
You have to.
Shame.
Theoretically possible, ये
It's,
तो.
but
Oh,
है,
dude, you'd be surprised how defense families are fucked up.
theories
On
don't
the
work.
surface, they're very good, but oh, my dad and mom and all, like in the beginning, first 4, dude, till pandemic, my mom was thinking I will quit comedy and go back. This was a hobby.
मेरे तो अभी भी अगर मैं यहाँ पे हूँ ना और मेरी वाइफ घर पे है, तो मेरे माँ बाप उसको ब्रेन वॉश कर रहे हैं कि क्या कर रहे हो, उसको समझाओ,
हाँ
वो क्यों जा रहा है दिल्ली
Yes.
बाहर, तुम्हें अजीब नहीं लगता कि वो बाहर जा रहा है, ऐसे उसका कान भर रहे
हाँ
हैं and I'm like
and your parents should see her at open mics how
yeah
disappeared.
yeah
how much
और वो बेचारी वो बोल रही कि बेंचो मेरे को लेके नहीं गया मेरे को घर में छोड़ के चला गया
Bro, I think it's high time you should tell her that
What?
story of going to Rameshwaram Cafe because वो बार-बार तेरे मुंह से निकलता है.
अब तो पहुंच ही गया ना, अब तो हो ही
नहीं
गया
मतलब पहली बार वाला भी अरे
हाँ.
bro उस टाइम हम लोग
what are the Rameshwaram cafe stories?
dude someday Jotin was here and Abhinav and Jotin we wanted to go to toilet, जगह ही नहीं थी तो कार उसको वैलो को पकड़ाई
हाँ
और हम लोग रामेश्वरम कैफे चले गए वहीं पे,
नया वाला
नया वाला जो
इधर
है
आ गया।
इंदिरा नगर
हाँ, हाँ.
just to
एंड खाया एंड आई रिमेम्बर नेहा माय वाइफ वाज लाइक कि हम लोग कभी रामेश्वरम नहीं गए एंड आई हैव टोल्ड हर कि बहुत ही ओवररेटेड जगह है, कभी नहीं जाएंगे.
so they have a pact you can't go like
I know,
just go with me
totally
like,
got it, yeah.
That's the thing.
you can't say the place sucks
Yeah, yeah.
and then go with your
And
friends.
now
Yeah.
अभी क्या होता है, कभी कभी हम बात कर रहे होते हैं ना एंड अचानक मेरे मुंह से निकलता है पर यार याद है अभिनव जब हम लोग रामेश्वरम एंड मैं चुप हो जाता हूँ फिर एंड नाउ एंड दिस गाय वर्स्ट एट कवरिंग अप इज लाइक नहीं हाँ हाँ हम चंपक गए थे चंपक गए थे some cover up he does but and then मैंने क्या बोला एक काम कर इसको ले ही जाते हैं एक बार
yeah
खिला देते
dude
हैं
you
वहाँ
should
का
take her
खाना.
and go
हो गया done.
good. And then you should tell her that you guys went after her.
या अब तो हो गया.
That's how you
अब
should.
डर नहीं, अब मैं बोलूंगा ना मैं याद है जब उस बार गए थे
हाँ.
तो we know कि नेहा was there.
Yeah, fair enough.
So
yes.
not a problem.
But yeah, that's the biggest problem of relationships, dude. You have to do things together.
Oh yes, dude.
That's the
Yes.
number one thing, right? You
Hmm.
can't have fun with someone
can't.
else.
Yeah. If you're having fun alone, that means you don't want other person in your life.
Yes.
Basically, that's what it
Very high
concludes to.
implications.
Like it means कि you hate me.
ये ज्यादा एक्सट्रीम हो गया ब्रो ये बात
हाँ?
don't want me in your life मतलब that is too
हाँ
extreme
अभी अब रुको ना, आपका कितना हुआ महीना अभी? 3 महीना हुआ है, 4 महीना हुआ है.
3-4 महीने हो गए।
हाँ आएगा अभी अभी तो all
मेरा
understanding.
तो हुआ भी नहीं है, मेरा already वो mood है. No, but what I felt is like in relationship, like I used to date this girl, no, like and I used to live in with her,
Hmm.
and I understood that time, like what the thing is, whenever me and my best friend would meet,
Hmm.
she would be like, why you guys meeting without me? What's going on?
What?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm like, no, dude, we have been meeting for like 10, 12 years. We are like best friends, man. You can't just barge in. And I know he won't be that comfortable talking to her. And she'll be like, who, him? Dude, I love him. And I know he also loves me. And I'm like, yeah, he does, but you know that he doesn't love you, right? like because the thing is, the girlfriends don't know the shit best friends say. Because you are nice enough to hide it from them.
Dude, at least your girlfriend would say directly कि why are you hanging out without me? If it happens कि let's say I'm like, hey, you know what? I'm hanging out with comics right now, and I'm like कि ठीक है कोई नहीं, मैं आ जाता हूँ घर ना, because अभी बहुत टाइम हो गया. इसलिए नहीं तू वहीं रह. That's all. नहीं तू रुक वहीं पे, कोई बात नहीं, उनके साथ रह, it's okay. And you know that she doesn't mean it.
This is like how
She wants you to run.
Yeah.
Immediately.
Why bro? Run is like you'll get late. You live far.
Yeah, you like, हाँ वो.
I totally get it, bro. This is how like, and the thing was, whatever you're saying, I agree, because that's how women are. They're like they are the best at cold shouldering.
Oh, 100%.
Nobody can cold shoulder like how they do it. You know, it's like
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a guy do better than that?
Never, bro.
Never. That's
Your guy does that, you slap him, right?
You're like, who the fuck you man?
What is this? Eh?
Yeah.
कुछ पूछ रहा हो ना भोसड़ी के. बस.
But yeah, that's so funny. And also one thing, what I felt in relationships, is like with like this thing on hanging around with friends and girlfriends. I think that's why men lie, because it's way more convenient
Yeah. Than to actually have the conversation.
than to have the conversation.
Yeah. That is
You know,
true,
it's
bro.
like, how you're at an open mic and you're like, you would rather go before the hack comic than explain it to him.
कि why I wanna.
Yeah, I want to go before. You get what I'm saying? Like, तू room ठंडा कर देगा,
कर देगा
अच्छा,
भाई.
मैं चले जाता हूँ. It's like that.
That's Nate का joke है ना वो कि उसकी वाइफ बोलती रहती है कि you always have so much fun with your friends.
Yeah,
Why
they're
don't
professional.
you laugh when I'm around? Like, because they are professional comedians.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, I mean, you'll never be that funny.
Yeah. You have no chance.
But you have lived in with one more comic also, right? How was that? Like
Me?
phase? Yeah.
I never lived with a
You're
comic.
sharing at the space, right, or something?
No, I took his room. He left.
Okay.
He moved in with his girlfriend and I took his room
Hmm.
when he moved. So at that time I was living with two completely IT guys.
completely.
ये
I
कब
think.
की बात है?
This is 2022 to 24.
Okay.
It was pretty good though. It was the first time I was living away from my parents.
हाँ.
And
Oh, first time, huh?
yeah, I've
Wow.
always been a day scholar.
Same bro, मैं. But मेरा day scholar, मेरा move जब हुआ था, I was not doing stand up. So I just moved out because the office was very far. So I'm like, मैं नहीं travel कर रहा इतना daily.
हाँ.
We
See,
just
surprisingly, you
moved
can tell that to your parents. You can never tell that to your wife.
Yeah, yeah.
You can
yeah,
never
I
tell
can't.
that.
Yeah, because
Office is too
she's
far.
the one who travels every day now.
Oh man.
And I stay at home like an idiot because I have decided not to go to office in spite of them asking me to come 3 days. I'm like, हाँ ठीक है.
That's
बोलते
3 days, huh?
बोलते रहो हाँ. I'm like either give me a warning कि निकाल देंगे. हाँ तब तक मैं नहीं आ रहा. अब मेरा डर खत्म हो गया ब्रो. मैंने 2 साल जॉब नहीं करा ना.
हाँ.
And I realized कि अब तो वो डर नहीं है मेरे में कि
That's good,
कुछ
bro.
ना कुछ तो कर लेंगे.
हाँ. This is like you're like the Sharman Joshi from 3 Idiots. आप इसी के साथ कुछ ना कुछ तो कर
कुछ ना कुछ तो कर लूँगा.
That's like दो टांगे तुड़वा के.
इतना attitude आया.
हाँ इतने.
No, you
attitude
said like
now.
sir 200 open mic करने के बाद
200 open so 2 साल बेरोजगार रह के मैं समझ गया हूँ.
Oh man, that's so funny. Have you ever been unemployed? Abhinav?
No, bro, touch wood, no.
Good or good? It's very good.
Yeah.
I have been
Because I've realized I can't go even 1 month if I don't get salary.
because you have so many EMIs.
Yeah.
Jesus.
No, because he orders garlic naan for everyone wherever he goes.
That's true.
the
That is
problem,
true,
bro.
yeah.
That's the problem.
That's the true.
It's the garlic naan economy.
Garlic naan is first love, bro. Garlic butter naan, not even garlic naan.
Yeah.
How was the movie writing experience, bro? Tell us about that.
Oh, it was fucking amazing, bro. It was
How did the
one of
movie
the-
do, like, commercially? I know critically it is, like, very amazing, right? It has got
Commercially,
great reviews.
it made the money that it was put in. Like it was like and not because
Fair.
of the ticket sales, because of the OTT deal.
Okay, okay.
So they made the money, like like through all the other deals.
I think that's like pan India now.
Yeah,
movies are now, they're not making movies anymore, like
Yes.
you know, because there's so many re-releases. You see,
Yes.
either you see re-releases, yeah, only Hollywood movies coming up.
True.
Like you know, even Hindi film industry or other film industry, I don't know.
No, dude, Bollywood
Not
is at the
many
worst
movies.
right now.
Yeah,
Bollywood
yeah.
is at the bottom.
Yeah.
So because at least other industries have found something of their own.
Yeah.
Like Telugu will go
Something to pivot
grandeur,
on, yeah,
Yeah.
and Malayalam will go story,
Yeah.
and Tamil will go full hero oriented.
Also, I feel like all the movie industries in South India, they're way more grounded to reality, as in the culture of the
only
area.
Malayalam.
The
Yeah,
culture of
I
the area.
love
Also.
Malayalam.
Only Malayalam,
yeah.
because I would say Telugu, Tamil have kind of. I mean, some movies in Tamil and some movies in Telugu, but
Yeah.
Kannada. What I've seen surprisingly is like we were also talking to some of my friends who are like way more knowledgeable in movies than me. They were telling that Kannada industry is picking up right now.
100%.
Because,
Bro, Ombale films, bro.
yeah,
It's,
so,
single-handedly picked it up.
They are like searching for original stories,
Yeah.
not casting like really bad heroes or
Yeah.
heroines anymore.
Yeah.
So that thing is happening, but Hindi is so, dude, it's at the worst. Like you
100.
put like fucking who's the Saif Ali Khan's daughter?
Yeah.
Sara Ali Khan.
Sara Ali
Sara Ali
Khan.
The worst, bro. I've never seen someone act so bad.
Dude, this is just like a money laundering scheme right
Yeah,
now.
right now.
That's
yeah.
what Bollywood is.
Like
कि-
that Junaid Khan.
हाँ,
like,
किसी को भी डाल देंगे and they're like बस किसी तरह पैसा निकला है.
हाँ.
That's it. So that they keep on living the life they have.
And I think the last one of that which kind of worked was I think Alia Bhatt.
Yeah.
Who worked.
Who worked? Yeah.
And after
Last
that, I
of
don't
them.
think so. All these launches are just failing.
Bad, dude.
Yeah, they're falling flat. Nothing is happening. So yeah, but the movie experience, bro, for me, I think more than the writing experience, this is the first time being on set. That
Execution
was
of
that
all
was
of it, yeah.
very very nerve-wracking and
It's
also
very
like
tough, man.
very very tough.
Yeah, very tough.
But also the thing was, I didn't go as a designated role like this is what you're supposed to do. So I was doing in and out of everything, little bit.
That's
So I-
great, I think.
so I
You
got to
get
learn a
flavor
lot.
of everything, yeah.
Yeah, I got to learn a lot. I started talking to everyone.
Hmm.
Started talking to the DOP's assistant.
Right.
They started explaining frames and stuff. And then I'll talk to the art department.
Okay.
And she will like explain like what this is
What they do.
1970s. So what are the things that we look into? Like from the lamp, the transistor, the furniture, the wooden,
Insane research.
everything has to be researched. Do you know in the frame if there is any object that's in the frame, the approval has to be given by the art director.
Oh.
You cannot keep it in the frame. Even the director cannot.
Hmm.
Yeah, even if he says he has to ask the art director, is this time approved? And art director like, no sir, this came after this.
After the.
So you
okay,
cannot keep it in the frame. And the director has to listen.
And that there's some continuity guy
Continuity
also, right?
is, yeah, that is the director's
I
thing.
mean, you can't show like 1950 and पीछे mobile का tower है. Like,
हाँ, exactly. That's a super example.
भाग मिल्खा भाग.
Yeah. So we had a scene like that. So उसमें CGI में बहुत सारा cleanup करना पड़ा DI में.
हाँ.
So there was a scene where in the village there's this one nice stretch of road, okay, where the hero of the movie is driving riding the scooter,
Right.
and we got the shot and all, but the camera is moving with the vehicle.
Right.
Okay.
So in the backdrop, you can all see the towers.
Damn.
You can
Huh.
see windmills, you can see towers,
Huh.
like a thing.
Huh.
So पूरा उसको DI में clean करना पड़ता है.
There's a lot of CGI. Bro.
Yeah.
Lot of
Lot of full CGI. Marvel. But yeah, that was a good experience. A lot of funny things happened.
Are you going to like plan to do another one, like if possible?
If opportunity arises, why not?
But do you want to like like write something, direct it, like your own stuff?
Bro, अभी तो मैं videos viral नहीं जा रहे, movie क्यों बनाएंगे?
Also, I think you need a lot of connection to even
Yeah, yeah.
get through the
For
whole
sure.
that
Next
resistance.
level. It's a highly gated.
One
company.
connection and then credibility also, like like they need some strong credentials.
So if you
before
have
take it
connections, credibility can be made, bro.
Hmm.
up. Acha.
But I mean, I'm not saying credibility cannot be made on its own. But उसके लिए भी some producer has to invest 10 crores,
Yeah,
you know,
correct,
at least 10.
Yeah, at
Yeah,
least
yeah.
10,
That's the basic amount required to make a movie. Like the cheap movies that are really cheap are like at least 3 to 4 crores.
You did a cameo also, right, in the movie?
Small cameo, bro. One scene. I
How
can't-
did that happen, bro? Who came
That's
up with the
because
idea?
these guys hated me so
We
much.
saw the picture.
That photo.
Yeah.
That photo that
Just
you
put it
shared.
here in the frame. and
Yeah,
go
yeah,
to
yeah,
podcast.
that's the idea.
That's already. That's why I brought it up.
Yeah.
That's our thumbnail.
No,
Yeah.
that was because I was, dude. I mean, I'm really sorry to say this. Nothing like putting down these people. Most of these guys that work in a movie are a bit humble. Okay. And now they have guys. They're guys of small town. They have big dreams. So they don't have this concept of grooming.
Okay.
And when I say grooming, I don't mean like going to like Tony and guy.
Huh.
I mean like when
Normal-
how we trim our beards
Huh.
is different from how they
Get
leave their beards.
Okay, okay, okay.
So I was just one of those guys who would like put on a shirt, like not trim his beard. And these guys are like, Anand's working on a lot of swag, bro. I don't like it.
What?
And I'm like, bro, I'm just trimming my beard. What are you saying? Yeah. I don't like you're wearing like jeans. I'm like, really?
What?
But
So
these
this
are
is
not
pure
the
hate actually.
yeah. So it's not exact words, but I could say this
Yeah.
is pure hate.
Pure hate.
He's like, sir, आनंद बहुत चूल में घूम रहा है सर.
आनंद
बहुत
को
चूल.
बहुत ज़्यादा style हो रही है.
हाँ, बहुत सारा style हो रही है. I'm like, and the thing was, dude, this is the problem, right? Again, you know English. Somehow you can talk to women.
Yeah.
Every man hates you.
And I'm sure you roasted a few people there, bro.
Oh,
Like, there
dude,
is no
my
hidden-
roast of like the thing is.
Even they have like, I'll go and beat up Anand.
Yeah.
No, that's the advantage, right? When you're put in the ring with a fucking non-comic. It's like India facing Zimbabwe, bro. You have no
Yeah.
chance. You're like, I'm gonna see an opening. I'm gonna give it
Obviously,
to you.
yeah.
So like and that too during drinking when people are sitting in a circle, it's like you can't even escape.
Was it often drinking session?
Yeah. That's so almost every night, bro. So this thing was like, so it was like hatred from all ends. So I still remember the day when we were shooting that scene. So I had a full beard and I had like a full set of head of hair. And the makeup guy is sitting with me. We have to send images to the director,
Okay.
which is Suman, to approve which look to go for. So what they're going is, we'll slowly trim everything to get approval.
Okay.
So first what we'll do is, we'll trim his beard fully, keep like an handlebar mustache.
Okay.
Handlebar mustache and a thick mustache and give him glasses. And they saw that it didn't look that bad. Like it looked bad, but it looked that bad.
Okay.
Then they said, okay, can you just give him a small mustache? We tried that. And then this long fucking, whatever you call that.
समझ गया.
Sidebar.
Sidebar जो.
हाँ. That looked
sideburns,
also fine. They're like, no. And literally in the call, the discussion was, यार ये उतना चूतिया नहीं लग रहा. That's what they literally.
और उतना
और
चूतिया नहीं
चूतिया
लग-
दिखना है.
But I think if that was the intent, the work is really amazing.
Yeah.
You look.
So I'll tell you what happened. Okay, they tried a couple of wigs on me, and the wigs
Yeah.
didn't work. They didn't look
Wow.
that good. So what the makeup guy, hairstylist just looked at my hair. Is like, sir, his hair is good. Took out fucking half a liter of coconut oil,
And then just.
fucking flat, dude. And it was 44 degrees in Pondicherry, and it's in the night, so it's like it's fully lit up the room.
Yeah.
Okay.
With lighting.
Lights and all, yeah.
Yeah, lighting, proper lighting, dude. The way I was sweating, people thought I'm nervous, and I'm like, bro, I'm not nervous. I'm just sweating like a pig.
And the worst, dude, you had to live with that, like, जो पूरा shave कर दिया है, तो
हाँ.
तेरे को अगले एक हफ्ते तो ऐसे ही
2
रहना है.
हफ्ते, एक हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते तो मैं ऐसा ही था. Dude, it was sad. It was so funny because Kirti Suresh, the lead of the film,
हाँ.
so me and her, we spoke like once or twice during some dialogue. Ma'am, she said, I want this dialogue and something like that.
हाँ.
And so she saw me, and also, dude, I used to talk to her, all makeup artists. Okay,
हाँ.
they were pretty girls. Why would she talk to them?
Huh.
Yeah.
So I was trying to make them laugh, you know, trying to get something. And so she saw me talking to them. So this lady has seen me.
Huh.
I've been in her visual this time.
Huh.
The day she saw me in that makeup, dude, half an hour the set was on hold.
Why
Because
he was
Kirti
laughing?
was laughing for 20 minutes straight. Kirti is laughing, her makeup assistants are laughing. And then director Suman and everyone's happy. ये correct चूतिया लग रहा है.
Sir, ये
The
चाहिए.
correct word was अखंड चूतिया.
अखंड चूतिया लग रहा है.
And that's what they said. So they were really happy at my expense.
I think the movie was made for this, huh?
Yeah. I think, yeah, Gombale invested,
Gombale.
Gombale invested 15 crores to
Akhand
make.
Chudhary.
Yeah.
The biggest roast of Anand Ratnam, bro.
Oh,
It's a
yeah.
15 crore ka roast.
Dude, the
Yeah,
thing was,
bro.
with the scene that they shot for Naveen, was
Yeah.
like, they very little investment. Nobody interfered in his makeup. They just said, give him a banyan. That's all they
Oh,
said.
he's also in the movie.
He comes in the
He,
song.
he's
He didn't make it to the final.
He
cut.
never, अच्छा never got. Oh,
He
वही
didn't
बस
make it.
क्योंकि शेयर कर कुछ नहीं करा था उसने.
नहीं किया था. He did.
किया
He
था
did.
क्या? Okay.
He was there in the song.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
But the song length from 5 minutes became 3.5.
Okay. Okay.
So in that, he didn't make the final cut.
Okay.
So yeah, but his scene was also very funny.
Huh.
He's supposed to get slapped the hero and get slapped by the heroine.
Oh.
Okay.
It's a very funny scene. But that somehow they said like we don't have the time, so we can't.
But the slapping happened.
Oh yeah. So
Did
dude,
Suman
Kirti
also,
Suresh.
did
So-
Suman also slap him?
So
like,
what?
you know?
No. Suman did. Suman abused him. That's a different thing. But what was the funny story in that movie was, you know what? That Naveen had this scene
Hmm.
where first he's supposed to slap the hero,
Huh.
Okay.
and then the heroine supposed to slap him.
Okay.
And he comes, and he's a drunk guy, and heroines are eating like coconut water, tender coconut.
Huh.
He barges in. The lady who's selling tender coconut is his wife.
Okay.
So this drunk guy barges in, takes the money from under the thing,
Huh.
and then she's like, "Oh, you're the worst husband."
Huh.
And then this guy, the hero, is like, "This is wrong, morally wrong."
Huh.
So he stops Naveen from taking the wife's money.
Wives money.
So the Naveen is like, "Who the fuck are you?" Slaps him,
Huh.
and then the
Heroine
hero
guy.
is like, "What the fuck you slap me?"
Huh.
And then Kirti Suresh slaps him.
Okay. That's,
So
huh.
this is the scene.
Okay.
And Naveen enters the frame, full drunk, like proper drunk guy,
Hmm.
takes the money from his wife,
Hmm.
and then very nice acting.
Hmm.
And then the hero and him, the altercation happen. He slaps him correctly,
Huh.
and then he turns. Kirti Suresh. This is the last bit of the scene.
Huh.
Kirti Suresh slaps him like this, like from right to left.
Oh.
So if someone slaps you from right to left, where your face will go in that direction, right?
Huh.
Yeah.
Naveen went in this direction. Naveen's
Why?
face went in the. Yeah, he just did not react. She did this, and he went like that.
Yeah.
So, and all we were at the studio, like at the hut,
Huh.
monitor hut.
Huh.
We were all saying like, dude, this is gonna be a great scene.
Huh.
Last thing he did, we
He
were all like,
forgot.
abbe chuti.
So somebody slapped him like this, and he went like this.
Yes,
Yeah,
correct.
yeah.
So he fucked it up, okay? So now they had to reshoot the whole thing again because it's a single shot.
Yeah.
It's not a multiple shot, okay?
Huh.
And then after this 6 takes, he couldn't get it.
Oops.
Wow, man.
He's like he's missing the timing. He's moving the face too soon.
Got conscious. With
Yeah,
the,
we got conscious.
Yeah.
You know that he's moving the face too soon. And on the 5th take or 6th take, they came to Naveen. They're like, bro, get to unslap.
Get actual
Actual
slap.
Actual slap.
yeah.
Because it's not coming off. You're not
Hmm.
able to pull it off.
Hmm.
And they told Kirti Suresh, slap him.
Hmm.
It's okay, just slap him. We need the shot. We are running out of time.
Huh.
Light is going down. We need the shot.
Huh.
And bro, the way she slapped, bro, you
Yeah.
could hear it.
She
for
was also
like,
frustrated. She was
Yeah,
like,
she-
motherfucker is not getting in 5 days.
we are like, do you know where the scene is happening? We are
Yeah.
approximately 60 meters from the spot,
Okay.
the monitor hut. Okay, it's a bit far.
You heard the slap, huh?
Yeah. What? You look, oh shit.
No sound issues there.
Yeah, no sound issues. It was crystal clear. The sound.
No Foley there
Yeah,
in the
dude,
latest
yeah.
stage.
Dude, Kirti Suresh, because as the scene is, because he's slapping the hero,
Huh.
so he's not facing her, Naveen.
Huh.
Hmm.
Naveen's not facing the heroine. So what she has to do is she has to like turn it.
Turn and pat.
So what she did, fucking she dug her nails. It was a big scar.
Shit.
And then she slapped him. So it was like a proper physical abuse that she did to Naveen.
Things we need to do.
Yeah, but it was a very funny, 30 days. Like, interesting.
I think a lot of learning, man. It sounds fun.
Yeah, it was
So,
a
so
lot.
your job was like so you were also part of the writing team, right?
I was an assistant writer, and they gave me like the last AD credit,
Okay.
like
Nice.
the third AD or fourth
Third
AD
year.
credit.
So you had to basically do punching up of whatever
Yes.
these guys have written,
Yes,
right?
punching up, helping in the scene, asking the questions,
Huh.
being in the what do you call that riffing sessions.
How much of it is riffed, like, you know, and how much, like, I just want to know, like,
The
what you
scenes
write.
were not riffed. Scenes were all written, rewritten.
All written.
Before
There's no
even-
improvisation by the actors allowed?
Yeah, that is there. But
You
I'm
can do
saying
it, okay.
scene was not improvised.
Huh.
Dialogues were.
Dialogues.
Some of the dialogues were improvised by Kirti. A lot of actors.
Yeah.
They crunched down the scene. Like 2 scenes became one.
One scene.
Okay.
That happened. Like they said, like why do you have 2 scenes? We can just have it in one scene.
Yeah.
Change the dialogue a bit. That
Huh.
and all happened. But it was never like everything. Every day when we went to the shoot, we knew what we were going to shoot.
Oh.
It was like pretty professional that way.
Yeah, basically screenplay is there. You just dialogues में थोड़ा इधर उधर.
Exactly, yeah. मतलब foundation है.
Got it.
Building में जो
Got
चुकावा
it.
करना कर सकते तुम.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
That way because it was a very pretty tight schedule.
Also, like was Suman like very particular about कि यही line बोलनी है.
No, not like that. He was not. In some places, yeah.
Yeah.
But also, your idea also has to be better than a line that he has written.
Yeah.
So if it is, he'll be like, yeah, go for it, say it.
Right.
And also, this movie, the only best thing about that I saw was I got to see like 5 actors who are like proper like theater
actors.
Hmm.
actors
Very
who have
good.
been in the industry for like 10-15 years. So their improvisation is also
Beautiful.
on point.
Good.
Yeah, very good.
If the line is like 4 lines, they would say it in 1.5 lines.
Got it.
And all the content of the information would be delivered.
Got it.
That's why it was so good to like work with them.
But commercially, I think what happened, like, you know, marketing didn't work or what, like.
Yeah,
do you
something I think so. That's what they told. I don't know.
The
dude. It
buzz
was, like,
around it.
Post.
But do you think that it should have gone further, right? And people would have watched.
Yeah,
like,
of course.
you know,
I really
for
believe
sure.
because
It's a
the thing
good
is, you
story.
worked hard on the script. A lot of
Hmm.
people who watched the movie messaged me saying that it's good.
Good story, yeah.
But what happened was after post production, I was not part of.
Hmm.
I had no idea in the post production. So whatever happened, I was kind of unaware of it.
Okay,
I
okay.
only heard about it on drinking tables.
Uh-huh.
So I refuse to believe them.
What
There was
did
a
you
lot of anger
Okay.
and kind of sense of betrayal. So I don't know how much of it's true.
From
Because it was-
editing board or like in general?
No, the thing is, when the movie doesn't do well, people feel bad, no?
Yeah.
So then the pointing game starts.
Hmm.
Yeah.
At that time, you don't know who to believe.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're actually like venting or you're telling the truth.
Hmm.
So I would just be like, yeah, dude, yeah, it's bad. Just pretend like, yeah, I care. I mean, honestly, that's what happened at that time. Because the movie also was delayed a lot after this thing, so kind of like became tired when will it release.
Okay.
So yeah. But yeah, it was a good experience. That's why I always tell anyone, if they get a chance to be on the set, at least once
do it.
they should go for it. To see how unethical it is, like, you know, it's like
there's no HR.
yeah, there's no HR. To get a perfect scene, how far?
person people can go.
Yeah.
Was it ever that, you know, the director was like
It's just
scolding
pretty evening, no?
scolding the actor or anything like that?
Sure, bro.
ऐसा हो रहा था क्या?
नहीं इवनिंग हो गया तो
हाँ,
मैं चश्मा
evening.
हटा
हटा, हटा, हटा।
तुम लोग दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहे मुझे.
Director was scolding the actor, ऐसा कुछ हुआ था क्या?
Actor, yeah, junior actors, not
Junior
the
actors.
senior actors. Junior actors got yelled at, but it was also very passive aggressive. It was not like you don't know how to act. There was like 2-3 big fights in the set between like 2 big personalities.
Oh.
Yeah, proper fights happened.
Yeah,
they were
that-
like where they had like a shoot had to be kept on hold
Because
for like some 2-3 hours.
Fuck.
Yeah, like proper fights happened, and we were enjoying. We were playing cricket and all outside the set.
they are fighting over
Yeah,
there.
they're fighting. पूरा झगड़ा चल रहा है वहाँ पे मतलब दो and also this is not like a normal. This is not like imagine you and me are ADs and you we
हाँ.
fight. That's nothing.
Huh.
But this is like the big shots. They are like the
Yeah.
main part of the movie.
They are fighting.
It'll be
And
over
if they are
budget.
not on the set, the next scene cannot be shot. That's how important they are. Okay, and these 2 personalities are fighting. It was damn funny, bro. I mean, to for an outsider, I'm pretty sure for Suman it would have been like gut wrenching.
Nightmare, bro. The director की तो गांड फटी
हाँ,
थी
he
पूरे
was
time
like,
में.
he was like, बेंचो मेरे को 12 बजे पैकअप करना है और यहाँ पे 3 घंटे का ब्रेक लग रहा है मतलब technically. So it was like very bad. That was fun though to see it.
But you would have lost a lot of time, like just being on the set and not doing open mics after
Oh,
the
yeah,
show.
So how do people keep everyone in control? Like as a वहाँ पे जाके सबको बोलना
Like,
कि
that is
guys
the
let's
director's role has become like, you know, it's very
no,
important
director has
that
the
way,
power.
right?
Director and
Yeah.
AD, there is a guy called first AD.
हाँ.
Or also in Tamil they say the word associate director.
They
Okay.
control everything,
Yeah,
right?
these
And,
guys are kind of what they tell is like the set runners.
Okay.
They are the set. So if any these guys have full power
Hmm.
to kick someone out.
Oh,
Hmm.
even the
Obviously.
actors.
Not see,
Non-actors,
actors will be
yeah.
on their best behaviors, bro. Actors will never be a nuisance.
It's also PR thing.
Yeah,
right?
it's a very PR thing. Yeah. They
Okay.
can't.
Like,
They would never
we
fuck
can't
up.
be.
Okay. But let's say they
And
are.
yeah, but on paper, no, you cannot because actors are way more important.
हाँ.
but actors will never put you in that position where you have to take a decision like that.
God. But what if they are running late और ऐसे time पे नहीं आ रहे
Depends
किसी भी
on their
shot के लिए?
stardom.
हाँ.
Depends heavily
I
on
mean
their
बहुत
stardom.
बड़ा star है तो कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकता,
हाँ,
right?
exactly.
Because
Otherwise, so you can because actors are very replaceable, right?
yeah.
If a director takes a call, you're
Huh.
like this because you haven't signed any contract, or even their contract is very well written.
Okay.
At any moment, you can be kicked out and all,
Okay.
and you cannot sue. So like the thing is, small time actors will never fuck around. If they say like 7 o'clock is reporting, they'll be there at
7
6:30.
o'clock. Okay.
6:30 they'll be there.
Hmm.
But yeah, the big stars, though, of course, bro. Sometimes they'll be reporting at 6 a.m. They'll come by 8:30, 9.
हाँ.
3 hours delay तो मतलब ये
मान के
तो
चलो.
AD भी प्लान करेगा.
हाँ वो उसको पता है इतना लेट
हाँ,
आएगा.
फर्स्ट AD प्लान करके जाएगा, मतलब उनका
हाँ.
3 आवर का डिले होगा तो
इतने
मैं
में
पहला सीन उनको नहीं दे रहा.
ये सब कर लेंगे.
हाँ, तो पहले जो 2-3 अलग कैरेक्टर के साथ सीन है ना वो शूट कर लेते
वो
हैं.
शूट करें.
जब तक बड़ा एक्टर आएगा उसके साथ करेंगे.
Hmm.
This is like whatever you see in the movies is true.
Yeah.
Like the big actors are fuck all. I think, you know, when I was a kid, I used to watch this interview. They used to talk about this actor, Tamil actor called Shivaji Ganeshan. Okay, he's a very famous actor from the 60s and 70s.
Okay.
There was an interview where some producer was telling that Shivaji Ganeshan is very particular about time. Very particular. Like if the call sheet says 7 o'clock, 6:45, I have to be there.
Huh.
That's great, man.
Ah,
Glad to hear.
Yeah,
actually,
and he was like, I cannot be late.
Mhm.
That is one thing that would piss me off.
Huh.
And they used to talk about in like award shows and like never has he ever come late into. And whenever I used to look at him, I'm like, dude, he's supposed to come at 7. Why are people complimenting him for coming at the
Coming
time that
on-
was given to him?
That's how rare it is.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
That
extremely
normal
rare.
behavior
Yes.
is.
But when you go attend, that's when you
Appreciated.
understand how fuck it's very rare. It's
Okay.
like that. It's like that Sam Morril joke, right? You know,
Yeah.
that's how slow standards men have set.
Yeah.
That
that's-
you do the basic for women.
Basic,
They already like you.
yeah, that's the
That's the-
opening joke.
That's a dating story also. Like he was just being himself.
Yeah.
So not desperate.
Yeah.
Not
She was
desperate.
like, is it okay if we don't have
Like
sex
the bar
tonight?
is real low right now.
Is it okay if we don't have sex tonight? Yeah, cool, dude, just sleep. Oh my god, you're the best. I'm like, what?
Oh, that-
The other option is to me to physically molest you.
molest you.
And you're saying I'm a nice guy.
ये तो हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में हमने काफी सुना है, right? Like गोविंदा coming late.
Oh, yeah,
everybody,
all these-
everybody.
संजू मूवी में है कि फोन कर रहा है तो
हाँ, Sanjay is also very like that, very bad personality. Salman Khan is like that, I've heard.
Shah Rukh Khan bro is known for like 7 hours late तो है ही हर जगह.
हाँ.
That's
7
his-
hours, that's when you move.
Yeah.
So I don't know these much, but all I've heard is rumors.
Yeah.
So I don't know how much of it's true, but yeah, it's so many people are told. Is it like rumors anymore?
Mhm.
That's how it is.
I mean, if somebody knows कि तू इतने घंटे लेट तो हर जगह आता है,
हाँ.
then you are regular. You just plan it that way,
Hot
right?
take, bro. Hot take.
You just plan it that way,
Yeah.
right? Shift your schedule.
But yeah, that's the thing. No, you can't even lie to these people. Like, वो 6 घंटे लेट आता तो उसको 6 घंटे जल्दी बोल दे. You can't do that. They'll fucking
वो-
fuck you up.
ये भी है.
One day they come early. You're not even in the set. You're like, sir, आप जल्दी क्यों आए?
7 AM का शूट है सर, रात में 1 बजे आ जाना.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
So I've heard like a lot of funny shit like that and all. But yeah, that's a good experience, like in the sense, because the thing is, fuck the big stars.
Huh.
The people who work in the movies, like the junior, like the below,
Huh.
bro, I have never seen anyone more motivated than them, bro. Because all of them
Bro,
want to
movie
make it.
runs I think because of them.
Yeah,
Like,
all
you know,
of them
they're
wanna make it,
underpaid
right?
also.
All these junior actors, you know.
Not junior actors,
Even
all
the
junior
technicians.
technicians, lighting technicians. Bro, the thing is, there is a camera that's like RE camera, which is like 25 to 30 kgs, okay?
Okay.
Hmm.
The DOP will never carry it. DOP will only come, you set the camera, wherever he or she tells, that's where the guy has to play. There is a guy for that.
Wow.
उसका काम है कैमरा उठा के जाना यहाँ से वहाँ.
Oh,
And this guy, all these guys are like hatta gatta. They'll be like at least 6 foot,
huge. Huh?
huge guys, because they have to carry this on like mountains and all, bro.
Huh.
Hmm.
There was a shot that we did where we are shooting from one small hill. We are going like eye level from other small hill. Some staircase are there.
Got it.
One old character is climbing down the stairs,
Yeah.
and the director wanted a shot kind of eye level, but from another hill.
Huh.
So not like this or that. Okay.
Huh.
That guy had to carry the camera onto the hill. There's no
How
no
do they?
stairs.
How do they moving shots then? वो पूरा उठा के चल रहा है
नहीं
वो
नहीं
बंदा.
नहीं उठा के जाके
तो
वहाँ
track
प्लेस करना
हाँ?
है. वहाँ पे उठा के जाके प्लेस करना है,
Track
and
रहेगा.
then it's a shot.
No, no. Let's say if they have to take a moving shot.
Then it's a trolley. Then तो trolley
उसके लिए
लगा
ट्रॉली भी रहता है.
trolley लगा देते हैं.
Okay, okay.
मूविंग शॉट तो वो कुछ नहीं कर सकता बेचारा, because then तो
Hmm.
shakes होगा ना.
Hmm.
So you put a trolley and then there's उसके लिए भी एक बंदा है. So my DOP cushion. DOP will sit and look in the frame inside the thing.
Okay.
One guy has to slowly push it.
Okay.
And he has to push it so nicely. These are experts in pushing.
Huh.
You or me can never push. They push it so nicely that there are no jerks.
Oh wow.
Oh.
So there is this very famous, you know, the Spike Lee's Vertigo shot, right?
Spike Lee's vertigo shot is.
It was not his, but it
Huh.
was very made famous by because he uses it a lot.
Huh.
That's I'm not saying it's his.
Okay.
So what he does is basically it's called the camera will be put on a dolly,
Huh.
and when the camera is moving forward,
Huh.
I will zoom out.
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking about.
So to
it
create
looks
that-
like you're zooming in, but you're also going out.
Going out. So
Okay,
what
yeah.
it creates a field of
Huh.
what a character is contemplating.
Yeah, like you
or
Yeah,
is-
it's like
confusing or
what you're
something,
thinking.
yeah, shit has just gone down. Shit has hit the fan.
Realization.
Yeah, got it,
Realization.
got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like
I know
that.
what
So
you're
it's
talking
called a
about.
vertigo shot. Okay?
Vertigo shot.
Now, I didn't know vertigo shot was so hard because vertigo shot, when you're zooming out, the camera needs to be so delicate that even the minute of shakes,
Hmm.
the camera will pick it up.
Oh.
So, like, if you're doing this and zooming out, it'll be like, tick, tick, tick. And the jerk is fucking it up. So,
Oh.
Spike Lee did it in this movie. There's a movie called Inside Man.
Huh.
Have you seen it? Denzel Washington and William Dafoe. Denzel.
No, I've heard of the movie. I've not seen
It's
it.
a very good movie. Okay.
Hmm.
But in that, there's one vertigo shot, fucking not even a shake.
Hmm.
But that's how good you have to be.
Okay.
So it's like a very that I learned on the set.
Huh.
It was like very difficult.
There are a lot of these shots which
ये-
are made
तो ये-
famous by
ये-
directors.
correct,
Like
वो तो है, हाँ.
Sam Raimi का वो eye वाला shot जो है, it's
हाँ.
very famous. He used it in Spider-Man, Multiverse
A
में
lot of
था.
movie does. Yeah.
Yeah, there are many movies. So
Yeah.
like, and David Fincher has that color grading.
Yeah, color
He
grading.
has only 2 color gradings. His movies have only 2.
Two. Yeah.
It's either like what is that, brownish, or it'll be like very blue.
Brownish red रहता है. हाँ.
हाँ,
Even
something-
this guy ना Scorsese has that car shot. The trunk में
Which
ट्रंक
one?
में कैमरा डालेगा
हाँ
और एक लोग जो ट्रंक खोलते हैं ना
हाँ.
तो 2 लोग खड़े हैं ना
हाँ,
तो वो
हाँ,
भी shot है.
yeah,
That is
yeah,
that is
yeah.
Scorsese's.
There was one.
Lot of movies have
there was
that.
one like you know जिसमें the girl puts the feet on the cars like
हाँ.
ये board पे.
Yeah.
Then you take a shot from
Then you
there.
take a
There's
shot.
Yeah,
something,
There are a lot of cameramen are like they're great, dude. But that's what I'm saying. No, until and unless you go to the, you don't even know how it happens.
Yeah.
All when you think about movies is that crane shot.
Hmm.
क्रेन लगा के ऊपर लेके आते हैं.
वैसे
पर
कर
हमने वो
दिया.
क्रेन शॉट बस एक बार यूज किया था पूरी मूवी में.
Yeah.
And that crane shot is mainly to establish the area.
Okay.
ये
okay.
घर है, ये दुकान है, ये वो है. That's
I've
it.
seen this shot that a lot of people use now in movies is
Which is?
this shaking shot जो एकदम close up लेते हैं
हाँ,
Tension.
handle.
तो
It's called
ऐसा
handle.
हैंडहेल्ड वो गिम्बल
You
पे
can-
आती है
it
किसी
breathes.
पे
That's what we were asking कि how you do that.
How do you do that कि
25
ऐसा
kgs
एकदम
camera.
बहुत ही ज्यादा
So what happens is एक तो होता है gimbal.
हाँ
Hmm.
If you mount it on a gimbal, shake won't be there
हाँ
because gimbal is like perfect. It's
Yeah,
supposed
yeah.
to adjust for your
it
shape.
adjusts the हाँ shake, हाँ.
But sometimes directors want handled where the DOP will. So dude, that is a crazy equipment.
हाँ
Since
Okay.
I told you it's a heavy camera, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So DOPs can't carry it
Correct,
and then
correct.
shoot it. So what happens is they have this kind of from the back of their head.
हाँ.
There's one like a thing that comes, okay, like a L shaped from the top of their
Okay.
head.
Okay.
And the camera is hung from there.
Oh
Okay, okay.
Okay.
And now this string is so strong
हाँ
that she can just place it.
हाँ
She doesn't. The weight doesn't go on her shoulder. It's on her shoulder.
got it
They can just place it,
Oh.
and they shoot with that. So
Oh.
that's when the breathing also comes,
okay okay
and
okay.
the DOP does
So
it.
if the guy walks and they walk behind ऐसा लगता है ये कैमरा वाला बंदा साथ लेके
हाँ,
चल
लेके
रहा
जा
है.
रहा है.
Okay 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 okay.
So it's like I don't know what's the technical name for it. I had asked my DOP. She told me. I forgot.
हाँ
So it was nice. So when you see that and all, there is. Have you seen that scene from the movie? This one. What is that very famous movie, dude? That La La Land. When Ryan Gosling is playing the piano
Yeah.
and Emma Stone
Yeah,
is
yeah,
dancing.
she's dancing.
And
Yeah.
the camera
so there was
pans.
this movement,
Huh,
right?
huh.
Movement
So
of camera, yeah.
that is done with that.
Hmm.
So there'll be the thing hanging. It'll be on the shoulder. Okay. So
Huh.
one guy will be there.
So it'll turn and
So the cameraman doesn't know.
Huh.
I mean the DOP.
Huh.
One guy will be standing behind the thing. He's the director's guy.
हाँ
He will tap on the shoulder. If I tap on your right, you have to turn.
Turn.
If I tap on your left, you have to turn.
Oh okay okay.
So
okay.
that's how that show.
Bro, in the Winter Soldier movie, like that scene in which the Winter Soldier is jumping, okay,
हाँ.
and the cameraman jumps behind him.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, dude. अरे
Yeah.
आप वो सी बात कर रहे हो. First movie of this guy, he was an action director for Russo brothers.
Okay.
So he shot his own movie called Extraction on Netflix.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Chris
the
Hemsworth.
Hemsworth.
And there is a behind the scene shot where Chris Hemsworth basically jumps from the roof, falls on this ledge,
हाँ.
and then falls on the road. And behind the scene दिखा रहा है कि कैमरामैन उसके साथ गिर रहा है.
Oh.
So
Yeah.
the falling is together.
Ooh.
can you and that guy, like the kind of fucking determination you need
Yeah,
to do
You see,
this.
the idea is to make it as real as possible.
इतना real लग रहा है ना
Right.
extraction.
That's the whole
bro,
thing.
extraction का camera work देखना dude, it's insane.
Oh, I'll check out the series.
It's
Bro, the
insane.
I
first
heard
one-
it's bad storytelling. Though.
But
That's
first
Storytelling
one,
is chutiya
no,
hai.
first one is amazing.
हाँ,
Ah,
first
that's
one
what
is
I'm
very
saying.
good.
First one I heard storytelling is bad.
very bad.
But-
But the camera work is beautiful.
Ah,
Bro, the
nice.
first shot in
उसने
which
सर पे कैमरा लगाया हुआ है
हाँ.
and he just runs behind him और जैसे वो गिर रहा है वो उसके साथ ऐसे गिर गिर के नीचे
Oh,
आ रहा
that they did in Mission Impossible also.
है. हाँ
Mission
Yeah.
Impossible,
Yeah,
that jump from the
dude
plane.
those guys are like कि हमें लेवल बढ़ाना है कैमरा वर्क का
हाँ.
in action. That's
Yeah,
the
that's
only
true,
way to
that's
make
true.
it more real.
That's true. There was that funny story that Tom Cruise says, no? Like,
हाँ.
what the Burj Khalifa one.
हाँ
I went to my action director
yeah.
and I told him that I want to jump
do
out
this,
of-
yeah.
Like
yeah.
that's
No,
not
I want
possible.
to jump outside Burj
Right.
Khalifa.
हाँ.
He's like, Tom, it cannot be done.
So I changed the
So I
action.
fired
so I
him.
changed,
So I changed the
fired
action.
another guy.
That is so funny.
So yeah, these guys too, they're like taking the next level.
They're
their
like कि
action.
करना ही करना है.
हाँ.
There's no कि हो सकता है नहीं हो सकता.
कैसे करना वो
कैसे?
बताओ.
That guy trained for a year for a 2 मिनट का सीन है इसमें Dead Reckoning में.
कौन सा बाइक से?
No. Plane से कूदते हैं दोनों.
हाँ, this one. What is his name? Henry Cavill.
Yeah. It's like I think bungee jumping नहीं बोलते एक और कुछ
No,
नाम है
that's
उसके
not
लिए.
bungee jumping.
नहीं,
It's
that's
something
skydiving proper.
It's a हाँ skydiving है but there is a name for it.
Yeah, even I forgot. There's something called
And it's
that.
like proper.
Henry
वो
Cavill and
पूरा
Tom Cruise जो
दोनों एक साथ कूदते हैं.
right.
वो एक सीन तो यार क्या.
That was funny scene also because in between what happened was this movie में Henry Cavill lost his oxygen.
Lost his
हाँ.
oxygen.
Okay, then Tom Cruise अपना oxygen उसको दे.
हाँ. Yeah. That's the scene. Yeah.
But when you saw the movie, okay, like when it came out, do you think that it's West में ऐसा कहा जाता है कि stand-up comedians when they make a movie, there's a lot of realism and then they make it interesting because out of nature क्या होता है because of professional behavior in comedy,
हाँ.
you make everything tight. Anything that doesn't make sense is not in the movie, so it makes the movie like good.
Crisp.
Yeah,
Hmm.
crisp. Like
Ah.
it's to the point. Like any bullshit is not there. Like
The habit is to
any
have
commercial
something
bullshit.
happen in every scene. में से
Yeah.
कुछ ना कुछ होना चाहिए. हाँ.
True. But in this movie, a lot of our ideas were bypassed because it also then once
So editing power was not with the director.
no, editing was with the director.
Ah.
It was completely with the director.
Okay.
But what happens is there's sometimes the audience needs the breathing space,
Hmm.
and as comedians we don't understand that.
हाँ.
We are like going tight, bam, 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 bam. But when you're telling a story after 2.5 hours, you need to have breathing space. You need to be where audience can like.
Hmm.
So I think that's what we cannot do in our comedy, because if you look at stand-up, it's generally 1 hour.
Yeah.
I mean, good
Yeah.
stand-up. I'm
Yeah.
not talking. I mean, of course there are 2.5 hours, but I'm talking about good stand-up.
Well, choo choo.
So what happens is, like I've heard a review of audience of Bussy show.
हाँ.
It was 2.5 hours. They said that he was killing hard. He was like punchlines after punchlines.
Hmm.
But audience was like, भाई 1 घंटे के बाद मैं हंस नहीं पा रहा यार.
Yeah.
और कितना हंसूं मैं?
हाँ सही बात है. वो rhythm एक बार आ जाता है ना दिमाग में.
हाँ.
There is no surprise.
Exactly.
Surprise खत्म हंसी
People are
खत्म.
like da da da.
हाँ.
अरे मतलब they start figuring out your skills.
Yeah, which is what I heard. I like मैं जब ये देख रहा था ना, this guy I think Birbiglia has a podcast
हाँ.
and they were talking about कि when you tell long stories, right?
हाँ.
You have to have like ebbs and like you can't tell a story
can't
that
be
just
flat,
keeps on
yeah.
going
Yes.
going and लोग पागल ही हो जाए बे जो क्या बोल रहा है रुक
कि
जा.
हो क्या रहा है यहाँ पे?
Yeah, you have to fucking calm them down.
Yeah.
Come to a point where there is a low,
Exactly.
where you just telling something. It doesn't.
No,
have to
you
be funny.
realizing what
Yeah.
is happening.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
like, oh, this happened, that
and,
happened.
and then you take it back.
Exactly.
So longer stories are way more like screenplays than
Proper
stand-up actually.
screenplays. We'll, that's why I think Suman took us also.
Yeah.
He was like, you guys are storytellers.
Huh.
So not just making the story funny, also coherent and pushing forward.
Pushing forward.
Hmm.
That help you could provide.
Yeah.
That was the reason why, actually, that was most of the work.
Huh.
More than making it funnier.
Huh.
Because the thing was, we think stand-up funny.
Huh.
Screenplay funny is completely
Very
different. It's
different.
very, you have
Very
to think visually.
Visually.
Bro,
Yeah.
pulling it off is also very difficult.
yes.
Very, very
Like,
difficult. But
yeah.
that, I think you don't participate in that.
Yeah.
Hmm.
That's the production team's job.
That's a big problem because तेरे दिमाग में funny है
हाँ.
क्योंकि you are playing that character.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then you expect someone else to get that and do
Yeah.
it, nail it.
But that's why actors are so good.
Yeah.
Actors,
Yeah.
what I saw in actors, this is like you would have thought something
Huh.
and they will like make it 2 times funnier.
Fuck.
Oh.
It's just because
Good actors.
they are
right?
good actors.
Yeah.
They will know what you're trying to tell.
Yeah, got it. और बताओ bro, what do you do? Like तू खाली stand up करता है, घूमता फिरता भी है. What do you do for partying? क्या करता है?
Party.
I think he travels a lot, bro. कभी कभी जो
travel?
spot इसका मतलब एकदम
travel
ऐसा
a
रहता है
lot?
कि bro I'm not coming today because I'm in Goa.
हाँ.
And you can't even say
That's how he
anything.
cancels his spot, bro.
Jesus, that
Like,
has
he won't-
literally never happened.
Yo,
Hey,
yo,
hey,
come on.
When have I cancelled my spot? When I'm saying, bro, I'm in Goa, bro. I
No,
can't
no,
make it to-"
this I like. अरे bro, मैं पता है एकदम भूल ही गया था कि मैं गोवा में हूँ, bro. मैं.
See, I agree to the first half. मैं भूल ही गया था मैंने हाँ बोला था spot के लिए.
Yeah.
That I agree because I'm unprofessional like that.
I've washed your kidney.
Yeah, most of the cash memory is there.
But do you go travel या बस stand up?
For stand up, bro, right now, though, the thing is, when you're doing this full time, right? It's like you kind of understand. Have you ever felt that the more you do for stand up, the more work is there? Like
The
in the
more you
sense,
do for stand up.
like in the sense, if you want like, okay, I'm doing stand up full time, and I used to think that I'll have an ample lot of time.
But that's not.
But once you start doing it like properly,
Yeah.
you realize there is always work to be done. Editing your videos, writing your jokes,
true,
doing
yeah.
podcasts,
Hmm.
traveling to mics, busking, producing a show.
Correct.
Because in Bangalore, you see most comedians.
You have to produce their own shows.
The thing is, you understand that in Bangalore, at least what I've seen, I'm not known of other cities,
Mhm.
we kind of produce our own stage time.
Huh.
If you think about it.
Yeah.
So when that happens, you have to produce it, you have to curate, you have to give spots, you have to book my show link, you have to talk to the venue.
Come
There are
to
so many.
Yeah.
And then you end up realizing, then when your parents ask, what do you do? It's, you do nothing.
Yeah, because then see, there's no return.
तू तो घर पे बैठा रहता है.
हाँ, just वही वो.
Dude, I'm not even kidding. One day I woke up, okay, I had to like edit a reel in the morning, and it was a lot of edit has to be done in that reel. Like I have the idea, but इतना सारा content है कि बहुत edit करना है, and it took me like 2.5 hours to edit that reel.
Yeah.
I finished it, I put it out. It was like maybe like 1,000 views, bro. But that didn't break my heart. My mother told me, Anand, can you go do this work and come? And I was like, Mom, my head is hurting. Can I have tea? She was like, what did you do for your head to hurt? And I was like, you know what? That's what it was like. She didn't know that I was editing.
Yeah.
She was just thinking, you were sitting on
बैठा
Instagram.
हुआ-
only.
बैठा हुआ है,
mobile,
yeah.
You were sitting
Oh,
on
yeah.
your phone. What were you editing and all?
Working on phone is not work.
Yeah, exactly. It's
Yeah.
not at all work.
Yeah.
So that's the whole funny aspect of this business, that most people think that we don't do anything.
Yeah, that is true. बहुत काम तो है.
हाँ.
अगर see, even if you take like 1 hour of writing for stand up,
Yes.
उसके अलावा ही you have editing वाला part तो ऐसा है कि if you do edit yourself ना,
And also the
Other
fact
time
that
वही
in
है.
Bangalore in comedy you do not have great editors.
हाँ बहुत कम है.
So
बहुत कम.
most of the editors you sit
Most of
and
it
work-
is not on time also. Like
that's what I'm saying. When I
major
say good, I
pain
mean
in
like
the
not just good on talent, like unprofessional also.
Unprofessional बहुत ज़्यादा.
So
बहुत
it's
ही
like, and also dude, when you're brought up in an army upbringing, no professionalism you expect.
ass. Yeah.
You're like, भाई तू call करके बोलते नहीं कर सकता, पर बोल तो.
At least inform, yeah.
Yeah. So that is one thing that it took me. I'm like so glad that Jyotin is there. At
Yeah,
least-
he's does on time.
He's very because he's also military
Yeah,
background.
he's a military background.
Doesn't
No,
matter.
even if he doesn't, he's like occupied with. He'll call and tell, bro, आज मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मैं
Correct,
busy हूँ.
correct.
Yeah.
I'm like, at least वो तो पता. I don't
Bro,
want to sit like a fucking ex-girlfriend
हमने तो-
sitting. When will you message? When will you message?
ऐसे choice editors हमारी life में है ना कि मैं बता
Oh
भी नहीं
my
सकता.
God,
Like,
yeah.
I know, I completely know what you guys are thinking because I remember talking to these editors. I'm like, bro, it's not your talent, it's just your work ethic will piss
That is
me
a
off.
problem. Yeah.
But अभी what next, bro? Comedy में like you know, are you going to like put up a lot of reels, videos? क्या scene है मतलब?
Why?
Podcast is doing good, like okay, it's going on. So
That's the whole idea. No,
Hmm.
that, I know it's gonna sound very profound, but
नहीं, ठीक है.
after doing comedy for 10 years, the only thing that is like, bro, your next venture will not make you big.
Yeah.
Trust me on that. Your next venture is not gonna make you big. But I just right now I'm at that stage of my life where I'm really enjoying doing stand up because I have just dropped my AFR and almost all my bits are 6 months old.
Okay.
Which is like every time I get up on stage, it's so much freshness.
Huh.
It's like I'm not talking about even one thing that's more than a year old.
That's more than a year old.
It's
So-
something to look forward to, like make it better.
Every day I write a new line,
Huh.
Wow.
which kind of like fucking makes me so happy. I'm not saying it works. I mean, but
Yeah,
when
yeah,
you
we
get
get
up on
it, yeah.
stage,
Which I've realized is the only fun part. In stand-up.
exactly that's the only fun part.
Because
So,
once you prepare for recording,
dude, it's the worst.
worst.
Because I remember like last half hour recording that I did, I kind of like ran the production,
Yeah.
like from Book My Show link, everything I took care.
Huh.
I mean, I told Navi to make the link active,
Huh.
but getting the dates finalized, talking to the venue, talking to the video producer,
Huh.
everyone I did. Okay,
Huh.
I'm not kidding. Until I went up on stage, I didn't have time to think about my bits.
Bits. Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Same, bro. Yeah, that's.
So I was thinking like that is literally the worst part of
That-
comedy.
That happens a lot.
But
Yes.
now it's the best part. It's like fucking I'm not looking forward for anything. I'm just enjoying stage time.
Hmm.
That's what you should enjoy, Kumar. If that's the only message you want to listen to Anand, enjoy that fucking stage time because most
Yeah.
comics don't. Have you seen that? Have you see at comics and all like just like not appreciating the stage time? They'll just be
Yeah,
standing.
I'll
on
tell
stage.
you where I've seen
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Where it comes very easy. Like
Huh.
for example, you know, they take it for granted. Like for example, you are running a club of your good friends of the club owner. You know that stage time will get it anytime. Then
Yes.
you don't write also. You don't respect the stage time. Okay, even if it's a recording show, I've seen people just go there and just shit.
Yeah.
Like not bring their A game into there because there is a lineup of recording. At least you do better.
Oh yeah.
But just because you don't have a problem of getting spot doesn't mean that you fuck it up for others. Like, you know,
Oh
that's the
dude,
thing.
that is so true. It's
Yeah.
like on multiple levels. Like where is the sense of professionalism?
Hmm.
And where is the sense of like ownership?
Yeah.
Huh.
Like bro, तू ये show host कर रहा है.
Correct.
Isn't it bugging you that it's not going well?
Hmm.
Hmm.
It
Yeah.
doesn't, bro. It doesn't. It doesn't. That's what like frustrates me. That's what like makes me angry at times. Why are you taking everything for granted?
Yeah.
You cannot take it for granted.
Everything is granted clearly because this always happens.
Hmm.
This I've studied like in the sense like in any scene you take, when the stage time is limited,
Yeah.
people respect it a lot.
A
Yeah.
lot. Yeah.
People
But
are
the
serious,
moment
yeah. Yeah.
the stage time increases, there will be
Increases.
people who don't.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
That happens. And dude, I remember I was pissed at Bangalore that I get only 2 open mics
Huh.
per day.
Hmm.
You can't workshop your bits here, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I went and did my solo in Vizag.
Huh.
Hmm.
These guys do 1 open mic per week.
Per
Per
week,
week,
huh.
okay.
And they travel 25 kilometers one way every week to do this mic.
They do this, man. Yeah.
They travel 50 kilometers in bike, not even in
Yeah.
car. They're all like low profile jobs.
Yeah.
And I swear to God, they're like, dude, every week we write like at least 2 up premises,
So that we can go and try it.
go and try. And I saw that, I'm like, you know what, dude, this is not just dedication, it's a lack of stage time, which
Hmm.
they respect a lot.
Huh.
But in Bangalore, now the Bangalore has created a scene where you can do like 5 spots a day
Now
If you want.
Yeah. Now that you can record your video on the first open mic you do.
easily.
That's
And
you
people
have
are
that
doing
option.
that.
Yeah.
That always will be there, bro.
Yeah.
That's why I've seen it from like 2015.
Yeah.
Third mic, they're like, dude, when can I record? I'm like,
But I
bro.
also feel like that is always there. Like no matter where you go, whichever era,
yeah, it's
there is
there.
always the part where there's always people who will never take it seriously and will have a lot of it.
people
and
who
then-
want to get famous in 1 week.
Yeah, and then the people who will do it very seriously
Yeah.
for a
That
long,
was the
long
funniest
time.
thing, no? It was like I was at MOC,
Huh?
one of the mics, and I was just talking to Somnath or Jyotin, I don't know who.
Huh?
Okay, and then one comic came,
Huh.
and he had started like 3 months ago, 4 months ago.
Huh.
And he looked at me as like, भाई आपके videos हैं YouTube में?
Huh.
And I was like, हाँ यार हैं, 2-3 हैं videos.
Huh.
भाई आप कितने साल से कर रहे हो?
Huh.
मैं बोला यार 2015 से अभी भी यहीं पे हो?
और कहाँ जाओगे भाई? ओपन माइक में आऊंगा।
सर, आप अभी भी यहीं
अभी
पे हो?
यही करो.
उसको लगता है कि मतलब MOC पे सिर्फ स्ट्रगलिंग कॉमिक्स आते हैं.
Yeah.
That's the image they have created.
And that's अगर आप सक्सेसफुल हो चुके हो, आपको यहाँ आने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
जरूरत नहीं पड़ी.
Which is so
आप भी यहीं पे हो.
funny.
हाँ.
I was laughing my ass off when he said that.
Plus, abhi I've seen that there are a lot of comedians who are looking for fame, not for like comedy career. Like they just want to break out. Like
That always happens,
Yeah.
no? When an art form becomes an industry.
हाँ.
Because when we started, it was more of a community.
It's called the bubble, right? The comedy
Yes.
bubble होता है कि भाई अब बहुत पैसा आ रहा है इसमें
हाँ.
अचानक से बहुत ज़्यादा. And they see people who have actually like quick
हाँ,
quick
there
virality
will always be
वाला.
bad examples like
So
that.
yeah, because people like कि अच्छा ये कर सकते हैं, मतलब मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता?
Of course.
वैसे आता है.
And then also it's true, right? The guys who became big also, when they do jokes, they're not that great.
हाँ.
Mm.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, you kind of, that's what you're selling. Yeah, like you don't have to be that funny to make
हाँ.
money.
Exactly.
Because the thing is, you look at like for example, when you see Louis
हाँ.
or like Bill Burr, you look at them and you're like, bro, when people look at, dude, I can never be this funny.
हाँ.
That's the first thought.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But when you look at some people, you're like, bro, I
Yeah,
can be
yeah.
funny, bro.
ये thought मुझे भी आया था.
Yeah.
I can do better than
I
that.
was
yeah.
talking about this to my friend.
So that should not be your idol.
Yes.
कि यार इससे ज़्यादा funny तो मैं हूँ.
हाँ,
Correct,
that
correct.
that should
वो
never
देख
be
के
our
कॉमेडी नहीं शुरू करनी
Yes.
चाहिए. You should always look at a guy like Louis कि भाई ये तो मैं कभी नहीं कर
कभी नहीं
पाऊंगा
कर
पर कोशिश तो कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
है ना?
You should look at someone and you be like, man, this is impossible for me to reach. I am not gifted in any way to
Yeah.
reach this.
Exactly.
That should be your idol. That's like telling in someone that why did you start playing cricket?
Yeah.
I watched Parthiv Patel.
Parthiv.
Like,
I can do better than him. Yeah.
I've heard that bit somewhere.
yeah, we brought it back. Brought it back. Who is this comic, dude? I know this guy. First time I heard his bit, I went,
Oh yeah, that story तो we haven't even like इस episode में नहीं बताया अभी तक.
Yeah, but
बाकी
yeah,
हर
that's the
episode में
story.
बता चुका हूँ मैं.
The story is, I will only say the story because I'm the asshole in this. Clearly.
This is my first mic.
First mic, a venue called Local, one of the worst places to do open mic. Audience is drunk, they don't respect the art form, they don't respect the comedians. People are insanely drunk, they're heckling. It's the worst room possible for comedy.
Tough room.
Piyush is doing his first open mic. Me, I think I've been doing comedy for 1 or 2 years at this time. Approximately, yeah, correct, no? 1 or 2 years,
also, yeah.
So like, and I was one of the guys who used to run Local.
Hmm.
So I used to give like all this shit, and then I'm at the mic, and Piyush doesn't know who I am at this moment, or I mean I don't know who Piyush is. He asked me, he's like, bro, I'm doing my set. Can you record it on my phone? I was like, okay, fine, yeah, sure, I'll do it. And then I record his set. So I'm looking at him through his phone. Okay, I'm watching his set, and I don't know what. In the middle, he did a joke, which didn't get a laugh.
Okay.
Okay, but I just looked at the phone and I went.
And he just stopped the video.
It's like he's watching YouTube.
He like-
Like this doesn't
Close
need
it.
to be recorded.
Yeah.
And I have no memory of this.
Yeah.
And then me and Piyush become friends. And a few years later, Piyush reveals this story. He's like, "This is what you did to me, you bastard." And I'm like, "Oh shit."
I've been doing comedy just to tell you this.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's like I've done that to Gotham.
Like, he has done that to everyone, bro.
Yeah.
This guy has.
I'm like the worst guy in that department.
Every guy is like roasted in their beginning. I'm still doing comedy.
Yeah.
Anyone he's nice to quits.
They quit.
That's like the good luck
He's
chutney.
like good luck.
Like
Real
जिसको भी
luck
roast किया,
chutney.
they're doing good
Yeah.
comedy. Like, you know.
But the thing is, that's how I was raised, bro, in the comedy scene.
Yeah.
Like my seniors were like everyone like that's a shit joke.
Who were his seniors?
I mean, Shanky. Shanky was my senior. Kelt was my senior.
Uh.
I mean, Kelt was unnecessarily nice. Kelt would always be like, "Hey, Macha, you have potential, da. Keep doing that. Don't give it, da."
It almost sounded like him. Bro.
Yeah.
Next episode we need to.
Hey, Macha.
Hey,
Hey,
Macha.
Hey, guys.
Kelt, this is the thing. Okay, Kelt is like, man, I don't know, that bit is not going. Hey, don't worry, da. It's we just need one wave to rise all boats.
That's so Kel, bro.
Some
He
problem
will,
that- yeah.
even when he's talking, he'll give you some
Yeah, some
analogy.
problem.
He will give you.
You know, some random bullshit he tells, okay? And I always look at him like, man, I just said I bombed. You don't have to give me this fucking literature lesson. But he's always that nice guy. Like, no, nah, just believe me.
His degree is in literature, right?
Yeah.
Why?
And dude, he learned English by reading Harry Potter. Just imagine the guy. I'm happy he's not gay. That's I'm just happy he's straight. You know, so like that way when I look at him, it's just like, no, I like gay people. Fuck it, these guys didn't laugh. The joke completely bombed. I like gay people, but it was a good joke, guys. Fucking bastards. You left me hanging. Both of them started looking out the window.
Will,
Oh, Bangalore कितना weather कितना मस्त है.
We'll put laughter track, bro. In this one, bro. Laughter track, like.
But yeah, so it was. These were my seniors. But also the thing was there was a constant this thing to like everybody knew each other's best because it's still a community.
Yeah.
Everybody was helping out with tags and punchlines and tangents, and they're like, "Hey, dude, don't do that joke that Anand is doing. Hey, don't do that. This guy's doing this joke." Like there was a lot of.
Now they're like, you know what Gautam is doing? Let's do that.
Yeah.
You know what Anand's doing?
Yeah.
एक बार वो भी try करते हैं. हिंदी में करके देखते हैं. हिंदी में कर देते हैं.
Oh man. I think I would like. I remember the story that I watched on documentary in Boston because that's how Boston, where comedy like when it started in '80s,
Yeah.
was very violent,
Very violent.
and all the guys who did comedy had like real issues,
yeah,
like alcoholing, cocaine,
like
like-
jail.
everything, proper issues.
yeah,
Okay.
uh.
So there was this guy where there was a rumor that he stole this guy's joke. He didn't even steal. There was a rumor. So he met him at an open mic and fucking broke his teeth.
Wow.
Punched him in the face. Like
Dude,
that's.
yeah.
He didn't even say, "Did you take my joke?"
He just punched him.
Just punched him. That's where it started.
That's where Joe Rogan comes from, bro.
Yeah,
That's
he
the
comes
scene
from
he
there,
comes
yeah.
from there, bro.
So when you see that, I think Bangalore comedy needs it. Like you
Punching
need to
people.
punch people.
For the rumor.
Yeah.
Tell us about comedy shows, bro. Shortians.
Oh,
How is
man,
it?
Where do I begin? But yeah, comedy shows is just. It was 3 guys, bro. We started really like at the same time.
But who started comedy shows? Was it Shanky?
No.
No,
It was
who
me, Jyotin, and Somnath.
Okay.
We 3 started.
Okay.
I mean, it was actually mainly Jyotin and Somnath.
Huh.
And they saw me, this abandoned child. They're like, okay, fine.
Chala
They
jata
picked
bhi.
3
No,
abandoned
actually,
childs,
yeah,
right?
I know this. I know why they both fuckers picked me. Because they needed a host.
Oh.
And you used to host a lot.
Yeah, I used to host a lot. I used to host a lot of shows.
Yeah.
So what happened was, me, Jyoti and Somnath,
Yeah.
what we would do is, that
Yeah.
time Jyoti still was working.
Uh-huh.
So me and Somnath would come to Koramangala by like 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock,
Uh-huh.
and then we could go to every venue
Hmm.
and talk to them.
Hmm.
Okay.
Like we'd run this mics and we can do this.
Huh.
And that's how at that time we didn't even come up with comedy shots.
Huh.
Oh shit, you have to come back, bro.
Yeah.
It was bad timing. So yeah, at that time, me and we didn't even come up with comedy shots.
Huh.
So we were just
Huh.
looking for rooms, and then they're like, okay, we need to put something on the poster.
Huh.
Hmm.
So at that time, we asked, can we put Bangalore Comedy Club,
Huh.
which was the official, and they were like, no.
Oh yeah, they were.
So we were like, okay, fuck it, we'll just put ours.
Yeah.
And that time we came up with the name Comedy Shots.
Yeah.
And at that time we needed help also. We were
Huh.
three, we didn't know much, so we reached out to Shanki, Amir, and Kelt.
Huh.
So there was this room called Hangout Cafe.
Yeah. We know.
Yeah.
So
Koramangala.
how we got that room was we went and spoke to the owners,
Huh.
and they said, why don't you do a show for us?
Huh.
So we 6 of us
Did a
did
show.
5 minutes each,
Hmm.
like a fast, quick, no hosting, nothing, rolling.
Yeah.
Audition.
Audition. We did a thing, and they loved us.
Huh.
They're like, you guys are damn funny,
Huh.
and that's when they gave us the room for open mics.
Got it. Huh.
That's how it started, and then it just like, it was like more like necessity, bro. Every time a room shut down, we started looking,
Huh.
Hmm.
and we ended up finding another one.
Yeah.
When like this thing Hangout was shutting down,
Hmm.
then we found what now is Glenn's.
Oh.
It was the. It
I
was,
know. I know. I
It
don't.
was,
I remember.
it was called a room called Ecstasy.
I remember. उसमें वो ऐसे plane जैसी chairs थी.
हाँ, correct,
Yeah,
yes.
Flight वाली chairs.
Yeah.
Okay, हाँ.
So
Correct.
Ecstasy, it was
हाँ.
used to it's this thing. That's where we did a show, and the name of the show was Cakes, Bakes and Jokes.
हाँ, I remember this.
Yeah.
Man. I remember this. Yes. Photos तो थे. उस time तो सारी photos Facebook पे डालते थे.
हाँ, exactly.
एक
yeah,
show
this
करा,
thing.
4 लोग आए, photo डाल दिया.
हाँ, photo डाल दिया.
हाँ, वही.
And that time Kelt was also walking around like that, and he would come with his DSLR and take photographs.
हाँ, yeah, I remember.
So
this.
then Ecstasy shut down,
Okay.
and then we were in need. Then we found Energy Weight.
हाँ.
Ah, that
Yeah,
was yeah.
That
Ah.
was one of the best.
Energy Weight.
Best
Then we
room.
ran that room for a while. Then
No
pandemic-
F&B, just
And
performance.
this is what I liked about the scene that time. Energy was basically like a reward spot.
Yeah, like if you are doing good over there, you've got a spot.
Like,
it's a big
like for the
deal.
rest of the scene,
Yeah.
that was the spot you get if you're doing good.
Oh, really?
So you had something to work
Yeah,
up to,
yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Now there is no reward.
Yes.
You any like
That was actually a great thing. To a reward spot, a reward room is a good.
Yeah, that's how
thing
we
to
started.
have in
That's
a
how even
scene,
for
yeah,
us, the reward spot was the open spot.
huh.
It was like a
correct. Yeah.
You would do an open spot for like Sandeep Rao or Sanjay
Yeah. So yeah, before that it was the Take 5.
Exactly, yeah.
जो feature spot देते थे वो लोग.
हाँ,
तो वो था reward spot. उसके बाद फिर ये Energy Weight बना था reward spot. जब
हाँ.
था कि भाई okay, if you are doing a spot, that means you have some jokes.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also Jyotin and Somnath used to curate that. So it was
Curate.
like,
Yeah.
I mean, up until then, I was just the host comic.
हाँ.
I think only after pandemic is when they were like, okay, Anand can manage.
Yeah, I think after that you took a like conscious call not to host for some time. Like
Yeah, I didn't wanna host
People
for a
used
while.
to just reach out to hosting. Yeah.
You realize that you have one of those skills that's like very rare now. Like hosting skill is actually
Yeah. Hosting
fucking
a
crazy.
good
rare
host is always
And,
like,
it's
No, I think they've just changed the definition of hosting, I guess.
Yeah.
When we were like, when we started comedy, host was the guy who will manage the tone of the show.
Huh.
Like when it
Everything,
goes
yeah.
up,
Tempo.
yeah,
Yeah.
tempo, yeah, like
Huh.
kind of that.
Huh.
Like if it's going down, he's supposed to bring it back.
Huh.
That's your only job. If it's going great, just pass the baton.
Huh.
But yeah, but no, my theory was in terms of like, because comedians are generally socially introvert
Yeah.
and they have like this public speaking
My
issues.
whole problem is
Mm.
that my personality when I'm trying to sell something is very different from when I'm on stage. Because when
Yes,
when you have to
agreed.
sell something,
Yeah.
especially like the idea of a show that you have to you have to purchase a ticket for
Uh-huh.
this. You are a salesman.
Yes.
You are a smiling guy who's trying to
Yes.
con someone into buying it.
You're
When
like
you-
the guy who's
Huh.
like, oh my god, dude, just hear me out.
Yeah.
I have the
Please,
best
can you
offer for
please? You
yeah.
are very nice. ऐसे
And
खड़ा है.
comedians, you're on stage like, dude, what's the point of living?
हाँ. And I realized कि उसने पहले किसी और को देखा
हाँ.
और स्टेज पे ही कोई और ही खड़ा है.
Yeah.
So that just I can't do that. वो हो ही नहीं पता मेरे से कि मैं कैसे उनको बोलूँ कि
Yeah.
खरीद लो प्लीज खरीद लो और सब क्या अबे चल साले
चल
तेरे
साले।
पैसे मैं मुंह पे मारता हूँ तेरे ऐसे
No, that's true. I totally get it. It's just a very complex.
Yeah.
It's a polar opposite.
Some people have the same personality everywhere.
Sachin.
Yeah, they can do it. They go on stage.
He
and
is
say,
like welcoming on stage and off stage.
And off stage.
You can like, it feels like you can tap on his shoulder and have a conversation.
Yeah, yeah.
As opposed to three of us who are so unapproachable.
100%, bro. 100%.
I can't buzz because of other reasons. Like whenever I approach a person, they just running, like they start
Yeah.
running. What the fuck is
Yeah,
coming to beat
you are
us?
like
You
physically.
shouldn't approach like this.
No, I
That's
just
why-
I just walk normally.
That's not how
bro.
you buzz.
I think
I
you
just
should
walk
carry
down.
like garlic butter now.
The smell of
Open
it.
mics, open mics, open mics.
It's like ऐसे करके
Yeah. You're just too like a little physically big.
Intimidating, yeah.
Yeah, intimidating for walking audience. And me and Piyush are the opposite. We are physically completely non-intimidating.
Yeah.
They see past you.
Yeah.
They're like,
We are like, lack of a better word, ignorable.
ignorable.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just
they don't
totally-
see us.
Yeah. We actually, you and me, we look like those guys who sell scent on Brigade Road. You know, they just stand.
Yeah.
So easy to ignore.
So easy to ignore. Yeah.
But you cannot ignore like fucking Vivek or Sachin when you're crossing.
They
Even
are
Vishal,
very,
theatre,
very,
for
yeah.
whatever, for dude, whatever you say.
Whatever
One of the
co-
best buskers,
very convincing.
heavyweight champion.
man. Very convincing.
Yeah. Apparently, someone was he was only telling me the story when someone came back who was like seen him bust 2-3 times
Yeah.
while crossing, has asked him, यार तेरे लिए बहुत बुरा लगता है यार. तू इतना बस करता है और कोई आता नहीं.
Somebody said that.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
तू विशाल like बैचो आते हैं 50 लोग हैं अंदर. थोड़ी भी कोई नहीं आता. And he was telling the story. It was damn funny, dude. Oh man.
But abhi, what plans with comedy, bro? Do you plan to like shift cities? ऐसा कुछ? Do you have that thought in mind?
No, bro.
No, nothing like
Not as of now.
Abhi to it's a good time to be in Bangalore.
Yeah.
After all these years of doing 2
that.
months
And
per
industry
week.
wise, like if the industry is there, like you will get more writing.
No,
gigs
yeah,
and
it
stuff
is
like
true. You can get more writing jobs and stuff like that. But you have seen guys who have broken out of comedy scene and done that from another city.
that.
Yeah.
Mhm.
At the end of the day, now the scene is not. There is no gatekeeper. It's like you get me the followers, you can enter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So why would I move to another city to gain followers?
Hmm.
Yeah.
I can do that here itself,
Or
right?
start from zero in a way.
Yeah. Why would I? When you really think about it,
Hmm.
imagine if you go to Bombay, there is a gatekeeper who'll see you like, hey, dude, you're good. You come to my place and perform.
Huh.
But if I show up to Bombay with imagine like 500k followers, he will still let me in.
Yeah.
Hmm.
You can rent that place and do it yourself.
Exactly.
You don't have to go through a
Yeah.
person.
Through him or something, I can get my own writing deal.
Yeah.
Because now, so like how you notice this, right? Why so many Instagram models are being casted as heroines?
Huh.
It's the same reason.
Same reason.
It's like because the production house doesn't have the reach. They're like, okay, you have 3.5 million followers.
You get
be
the
in my
audience.
movie.
You get the
So
audience.
you share this movie and it'll get the footfall.
Yeah.
It works. I mean, commercially, though, it like
Yeah. So if
theoretically
your angle
makes
is
sense.
commercial to
Yeah.
move to another city,
Yeah.
it's bullshit. But if you want to like find a different reason to do comedy, yeah.
Yeah.
Like I'm a little stagnant over in Bangalore.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's what, you get new horizons, right? That's the
Yes.
thing of moving to new cities. I'm not talking just based on like commercial thing, but having like new avenues, new horizons, it helps because stagnation is. I mean, after a point,
Yeah, new horizon and new venue for sure. Like to
Yeah.
get that change feeling. But I can do that for like 3-4 months and come back. No?
yeah.
If
that
that's
in
the
comedy
argument.
is, yeah. Then it makes sense. Yeah.
But yeah, I think I
But
might.
it also think the circle matters. Like because if you go to a city where there are bigger acts and you on a daily basis get to interact with them, perform on the same lineup, does that help you?
Yeah, it's a very angle that Nate Bagase said. I remember watching his podcast. He said the same
Yeah.
thing.
Huh.
The reason why he moved from New Orleans or wherever he was doing
Huh.
or Nashville to New York was because of that.
Huh.
Because he bumped into Aziz,
Huh.
he bumped into Louis.
Huh.
But the only problem was he respected all these comics.
Yeah.
The difference.
Huh.
I
Okay. Say no more.
Enough said.
yeah.
Say no more.
I don't want to bump into these guys because I don't know, man. It's just too this thing.
Yeah.
I don't know why. You got me right.
Yeah,
I
you
got
got
you,
me.
bro. I got you. Also, more than respect, the problem is how do you like? There is an issue with approaching these guys for anything. You understand? Like in our head,
हाँ
you can't. हम एक बात कर रहे थे ना, busking क्यों नहीं कर पाते?
हाँ
We are not approachable.
yes.
We are also not approachable. people.
Yeah, बहुत
like if somebody comes and talks to us, we're like हाँ बढ़िया चल रहा है, ठीक है, खत्म बात.
खत्म बात. I would
इसके
never be like.
वो वैसे नहीं हो पाता कि चल के कहीं दारू पियेंगे.
True.
You will only go out with the circle you know.
Yes,
Even
100.
at the end of
I'm definitely agreeing because the thing is, for me to gel with you, I have to be comfortable.
Yeah.
Correct.
And if I don't respect you on stage, I am
Then
not
I'm
comfortable
not
with you.
comfortable with you.
I will never be comfortable. I will always be like, bro, it's okay, it happens. Like for me, it's the worst. You can tell me when I'm talking to comics who I'm not close to. First question is like, bro, good show, bro.
No, I've seen you talk to those comics. I've seen upfront dekha hai maine.
Yeah, very that. I talk in like telegram language. I don't make full sentences because I fuck it up.
Emoji response.
Yeah, emoji responses like that thumbs up.